That's in your bench. Justice Surana.
Bail only.
No, then not. This is not.
There is
All,
division bench laws.
after that, you make a mention.
After.
May I please?
Yes.
I beg to mention items 7 and 8. In fact, I have requested to list the matter for withdrawal. It has come in the motion column. 7 and 8.
7 and 8. The learned counsel for the petitioner press submits that he has instruction to withdraw this petition
With a liberty.
with a liberty to file a press. Accordingly, PR stands allowed. Bail application stands closed on withdrawal. We are supposed to grant you bail anyway.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, next case, next.
Obliged.
Yes, Goswami,
Lordship.
see your forwarding report.
No.
It ground to arrest. Only she was loitering a lady, maybe 302.
Maybe 302. my lord.
Maybe 302.
Yes.
And see the affidavit of the their children.
Even then, my lord, I request because 302, my lord, there.
Let me understand 302, but is it why nothing is there in your forwarding report?
Yes. This should have been, but
Huh?
65.
Can you keep a lady like this? You are allowing this, please.
At least, my lord, reopening.
You
case,
have
my
your instruction within an hour,
Because-
what required or not. Why she has been arrested?
lord, because my lord,
See, is it a way?
No.
It's a liberty of a person, Article 21.
No.
Can you arrest and forward like this? Is it so casual?
I'll take the instruction. my lord.
You have an instruction.
Obliged. My lordship
Yes,
may-
we also know.
in
We
15
understand this is a serious offense. A person is died. No name is there. A suspicion is just
Yeah.
because a lady was loitering there, you have arrested. Nothing mentioned except that line.
Yes.
And the parents file, the relative files and if she is our co-villager and we don't suspect her. What more is required? We'll allow this.
Yes,
Yes.
but my prayer that I have.
Yes,
for
we
that
object
thing, my-
to the satisfaction of
PGM Biswanath child.
PGM Vishwanath sir. Really. Yes, we'll pass that order. Yes.
Lord,
Next.
Okay.
When case diary.
Lord. 21B, my lord, it will be my 49. I don't, November first week.
Huh?
35 days.
NDPS. 11.
This is all of 21B. Agree to.
You start around first
Ex-
week of November. Case diary.
Agree to him.
Huh.
Yes.
Obliged.
83, your lordship, arrested
Yes,
on 50
Case diary.
Lord,
Will be on 15, your lordship, it is
15th of?
October.
No, we'll not burden
Madam.
in the vacation bench.
Yet after vacation.
Yes, give a
take
21st.
October after the.
21st, 21st, can it be?
No.
We arrested on 25, can it is for Fataki Lambari only, 21, your lordship, can it?
Maybe it's a huge bank and all, many people are
21,
involved.
your lordship, kindly.
21st, okay, give a date, we
Not
do not
complete,
know,
but-
see. 21st, yes.
21. Oblige, your lordship.
Hmm. When?
Yes. Karimganj, my lord.
You have made out a case, but
Yes.
we have doubt. Whether you are a doctor or the
He's a
assistant.
doctor.
I have given the certificate, additional
So I take there.
additional affidavit, my lord, I have given.
Where is the additional affidavit?
For kindness, your lord.
It is not
I
here.
am the owner of the clinic, my lord.
Seems that is your explanation.
But
But
it is
people
there-
say that you have done it. Anyway, even earlier. Huh? 30.
That's right.
It's not so serious offense.
Yes.
If whatever he has said is
Yes.
correct, he is entitled.
20
22nd.
25th, my lord, 25th,
25th.
25th. No, that is actually messaging about, message na sabhi.
Obliged.
When CD
Yes, sir. But he is the suscited matter, man.
are seated,
Yeah.
scan copies
Yeah.
from
Nogao.
number
Malat 99, special POCSO 99 of 2024.
2024, pending before special just POCSO number.
Malat,
When
This to the informant, my lord.
notice to the informant.
You have got to very mention kar. Jo koi.
Highly obliged.
Lord, in this
case,
When
Lordship, on.
When?
15.
15.
No, 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 no.
I will
no,
not
my
know.
lord. On 24, my lord, similar cases has been fixed.
24.
My
That's why
lord.
I've seen many cases are there.
My lord, 24.
24th.
cases is fixed
October.
Maybe. If you say that you are not pressing today, we'll adjourn if you want to wait for the. Oh,
Thank you. For 7 and 8 mentioned 21. Thank you.
Case diary.
Lord,
My lord, can it be posted on 22nd along with POCSO bail petition, my lord?
When?
On 22nd 10, my lord.
22nd and along with
BA 3046 of 24.
BA
3046 of 24.
3046 of 24.
Alright.
May I please, your lordship?
POCSO.
42 days behind the bar, lordship, and girl is also recovered, lordship.
Even they might be POCSO, notice.
POCSO notice will be
Notice has to-
required and I think it's a case of CD at this stage.
Obliged, man.
25th, my lord.
Huh?
25th, my lord.
Notice pro OC. Obliged.
Yes. But it is a quarrel between the students of the same school, my lord. Maybe following a football match, my lord. There are times it has been colored as Hindu Muslim and adult people have entered. 42 days has been behind the bar, my lord. And my lord, I have seen that. Kindly see that all the sections, my lord, 142, 143,
That we
141.
understand, but
No.
allegations are a little bit. We want to see the case diary.
Lord,
My lord, actually, there is no major injury, my lord. 326 is not there.
That's why we want to know.
42 days
See,
behind the bar, my lord.
that we understand, but I do not think looking at the nature, we may give you a date
28.
on 21st, 22nd.
Let it come 15, my lord, kindly. 15, I think.
15, my
See,
lord,
15 is difficult. 15 is a day meant for very urgent matters.
It is also urgent behind the bar.
Urgent, we understand. Behind the bar, but apparently we have committed an offense. See, in a case where 302, we have granted bail on day 1.
It is not, 302 is not here, my lord.
Understand? But I am not granting in this bail. You should understand.
So, my 15 may, if possible, my lord.
15 I will not fix.
24 also.
21, that 21.
21, 20.
Ah, he will not.
No, no.
Offense is there, but girl has been recovered in a.
Recovered, but
Yeah.
what is your
Demanding.
business? 2 boys coming. We understand your age. But looking at the status of the social status of the girl, we are not inclined. We want to see the case diary.
No, see, on
When?
6/11.
Notice
Because
may be issued.
notice has
Huh?
to go, my lord.
Notice may be. issued
Notice. Huh? POCSO, sir. CD and notice.
6/11.
Be there for some days.
Lordship, if this case, Lordship, is a 69-year-old merely on suspicion and robbery offense has been committed at which 9, Lordship.
We know that.
Now,
We want to know this nexus, so much of amount, whether you are part of the gang or not.
It's a
When?
max of 1 crore, my lord.
whether it is 1 crore or not.
No, 1 crore is not. So what is maybe your involvement because
Yes.
it's seems a crime coordinated by not by one. Yes, when?
So it 6/11.
Diplo.
May lordship, please.
Yes.
It's a 2 years
None appears for the
conviction.
petition.
I am on BSc, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Dutta.
It's a 2 years conviction only.
No,
And,
I understand, but sorry to say, in your cause title, in your prayer, nowhere we have seen sentence under what convicted under what provision of law.
Section
Please
41.
please look into your petition. In the cause title, in the prayer, to pass a stay order from where we'll dictate. We'll go to the judgment.
No, Lordship, please.
Please go to the cause title and
prayer, my lord. You can leave.
prayer. Where is that? Yes, we have seen that.
Kindly consider, my lord.
What is the
Yes,
what is that? What
I
is the
under-
offense? We do not know.
Oh, no, offense, kindly, Lordship is kindly appreciate.
Why should we be
and,
kind to us? So one of your junior who is so careless.
No, Lordship, please. That's the Lordship is very correct. I am bowed down to this.
Nowhere.
I'm bowed down to. But the facts remains. The client should not be suffered.
You should properly train your juniors.
That absolutely correct, my lord. This is my fault also.
Heard, Mr. Datta, criminal review petitioner. Notice, revision of notice, huh? Notice, Goswami for 1. Notice to respondent number 2, registered as well as usual process. Okay. In IA, same notice. Returnable after 4 weeks. Till the return, the judgment and order dated.
11/8/2020.
The petitioner shall remain. Are you on previous bail?
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner shall remain on previous bail.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Well, I'm sorry, my lord. Unusual prayer, my lord. Item number 6 today, my lord. Another matter is fixed. My lord, with all respect, my lord. Today itself, my lord. So can it be passed over for the day, my
That
lord?
was who gave the option to the council.
I'm extremely sorry, my lord. Can it be passed over?
We have given the option to the council.
I'm
He said no.
sorry, he's wrong, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. Can it be passed over, my lord? Item number 6.
That is what we have given the option.
my lord, my lord.
Passed over.
Highly obliged, my lord. Highly obliged.
CD, Arms Act, all
Arms Act,
legal,
my lord.
all legal.
90 days offense, my lord.
Yes, 90 days.
6/11.
We do not, huh?
6/11.
6/11.
May I please, your lordship? Here, lordship, the FI is signed by the police itself. And
You-
lordship, I
know-
have served the
in-
government of Assam for long 35 years. Being a government servant.
Please tell us, is there any bar lodging affair by a police officer?
Oh, lordship,
Because a minor says not only her, you are a school teacher, isn't it?
yes, lordship.
Not only her, many others.
This is allegation, lordship. At least
That's
being a
why
government
that
servant,
we will
lordship,
want to verify whether this allegation is correct or not.
then lordship,
Case
short
that
date-
when?
then lordship, short date may
Notice has to go, my lord. So,
Notice and case diary.
7, my lord, 7 November. No notice ko nahi.
7th of November. Take earned leave.
oblige.
Wait, Milord, so my lord, out of this, Milord, 4 and 7, 4 and 10, Milord, have already been arrested. And others are, Milord,
4 and 10 arrested.
arrested. And Milord, others are,
Mr. R. Goswami, MP Goswami, CD interim to. Who are the others? Tell us.
others, Milord. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Hmm.
and 11, 12, 13.
Yes. Interim.
I'm sorry, item 13, similar, same FIR is fixed on, for another accusation on 25/10, lord.
Okay, we'll 13 to 11, 11, 10.
2510.
25.
13. Question, Dada, question.
17. 17 or 18, no?
If here I am pressing not on the merit, but on the medical condition of the petitioner. He is
Item 19.
18 years. 1-8. His name, Lordship will kindly see, Amzadul Hussain Mazumdar.
Hmm.
Now, Lordship, what has happened?
Hmm.
He is already in custody in connection of 2 cases. And while in custody, Lordship, may kindly see annexion number 2, page number 19.
Page number.
This is 19, Lordship.
Hmm.
His health condition has deteriorated, Lordship, and he is lodged at present in SMC Silchar.
Very good. He will get a good treatment here at the state's cost.
I pray, Lordship, that if your Lordship now look.
What is your disease?
Lordship, he is suffering from liver cirrhosis, so far has been told to us.
But the allegations are very serious.
No, no,
No, I've seen it.
I am coming to that.
No.
I am coming to that. Lordship will kindly appreciate one thing, Lordship, here. Here, Lordship will see that the FIR that has been registered in at the IPC. After 1st of July, investigation is going on the BNSS. FIR has been registered in the IPC. That part Lordship may kindly consider. And
Can that be a
otherwise,
ground for bail?
yes, no. I'm not on that.
Ah.
Otherwise, Lordship will see that the informant in this case, Lordship, he is working in that particular organization itself. She knows very well that this particular organization, they are indulging into those practices. Even then, she has made an investment. But interestingly, Lordship, in the FIR, my name is not figuring. Only in the
We want to just examine.
Lordship.
Okay, so we are not granting interim at this stage. Since you are already hospitalized, get the treatment.
No.
You come back, we'll consider.
That
Yes.
is why I'm praying for the interim, Lordship. If I'm taken into custody now, my health condition will be deteriorate more.
You are
Okay.
already in custody.
I'm in judicial custody.
Judicial
may take me
custody,
into
police will
police
not
custody.
take you from hospital to
We don't know.
the
Lordship.
lockup.
We don't know, Lordship.
Yes,
We can't
next
say.
CD.
21, if it, Lordship, my kindly please.
25th, man.
25th, it is difficult in my part, Lordship.
Okay, give a date.
21 kindly.
21st we can give, whether CD will come, not, it's
Yes,
a
that
risk.
is 21st, it is some practical problem.
Let it be on 21.
21, deployed, Lordship.
Whether CD will come or not, we do not.
No, sir, because there is some
Lordship,
practical.
KD
difficulty.
along with if his health status can be called for, Lordship.
Along with the health, it is the key deposit is stated that the petitioner is in a hospital, is hospitalized, so a report on his health condition also be produced.
Deployed.
Yes.
Deployed.
19 and 20 CD and interim within 10 days.
DP of the.
Yes,
Lordship, may kindly see FIR in which we are seeking bail at page 11, Lordship.
yes,
11.
yes.
Page 11. Allegation is that we killed a person and hanged him from the tree, Lordship.
Hmm.
And the FIR lodged by petitioner number 3, who is the wife of the person who is killed. Page 18, Lordship.
This is lost by whom?
Wife of the deceased, Lordship.
No, page 11 is lost by?
Lost by the brother-in-law of petitioner number 3.
So you are seeking bail in which case?
Lordship, page 11.
You are seeking bail in place 11.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay,
Yes,
that
yes,
according to
197.
them, he was called and he went there.
Yes.
Okay, now where is that? FIR,
FIR page 18, Lordship.
page 18, yes, tell us.
Respectfully beg to state that before 12 days, the below mentioned accused person talked with me over phone, but I did not agree to talk with the accused person and blocked his number. The
Maybe
accused-
this may be a reason why he was taken back. There was a
No.
fight, we do not know. Can that be a ground to give you bail?
No, Lordship. She is the wife of the deceased.
Ah,
And the villagers spread a rumor that
Hmm.
she was caught in a compromised position. Therefore, the victim came from his workplace, being ashamed of committed suicide, Lordship, that I have stated, Lordship, in my petition.
That cannot be. madam.
This
you can record it and reject it right now.
No.
Want it? CD.
After agree.
Yes.
7 years.
Mr. Bora, we will like to have the CD.
Well, I have lost the two FIR.
No, not FIR. You have lost it, but the nexus and your apprehension is creating doubt.
My apprehension because of the one GD entry subsequently. On the basis of, probably on basis of my FIR itself. We don't know, my lord.
So
Kindly see
therefore,
that- that's what, my lord, kindly-
we are.
I am a, my lord, the,
No, I understand. You are the stenographer of the
my lord.
court. The
and
other persons are
and I
involved.
am the first one who has lost the information to the police.
Hmm.
Then I have lost.
So
the
therefore,
information
you are
to
a very
CJM.
asset to the police, and there should not be any apprehension.
No, that's why the police subsequently,
Hmm.
in their GD entry, we don't know who has lost the GD entry
Hmm.
on the basis of my FIR or what. They have implicated me against those two women, against whom I have lost the FIR, who has lost against whom.
Maybe that FIR is therefore we are
No,
at
FIR
this.
I have not named, my lord. Kindly see.
No, no, you have not named. I have seen that you are not named. You and another person already informed about this Rosmi or something
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
my lord.
Then FIR was lost. Then all our offices,
That's
the
why we
employees
kindly
of the CGM's office, you are the stenographer, and why have you come before this?
My lord, the-
At this test case that.
my lord, kindly see the forwarding, my lord. That's
No, I've
the-
seen that. Everything I've seen.
That's why
Phase by
the-
including your
anybody can
critics.
be implicated.
I'm not
That's why, my lord.
convinced for a case interim in this
My lord,
case.
in these cases, my lordship can always, can grant a interim, and if there is a material,
No,
always can
that
reject.
in the all the cases I could have done this.
Yes, my lord,
in all the
these
cases.
my lord, probably, in this case, when there is a prima facie case, my lord, he has lost the FIR initially. Had it been, I have not lost the FIR, not informed the CGM, not informed the
Whether
second
that
judge.
FIR is lost, whether that is registered,
No, no,
nothing.
that I have informed, my lord, on oaths I have submitted, my lord, that these are the three FIR I have initiated before the CGM, my superior.
In the motion, we can fix it on 15, nothing more than that. Not calling for the case that you have instruction whether you want him or not.
Yeah.
The judicial thing, I have serious doubt in my mind. That's why.
Definitely,
You know,
my-
the doubt is the only thing in criminal
Then
cases.
when in the doubt, my lord, the benefit will go to the, my lord, the, definitely. to
No,
the-
not always.
Well,
It
tomorrow,
most-
tomorrow, if there is nothing in the case diary, I am arrested, my lord, I lose my job. And I am the first one to,
I do not think this is a case for interim.
my lord, kindly protect me for few days. Well, if there is any material comes out in the GD entry and the case
No, no,
diary,
no,
then, my lord, definitely lordship can reject it tomorrow, my lord.
no. Yes, next case.
Then, my lord, the
Sorry.
GD entry and the
Ah,
case diary of the both.
okay, full stop. Case diary of PS case number, tell us.
PS case number, my lord, Nagaon.
Hmm.
PS case, my lord,
Hmm.
942,
And the other one,
and the GD entry number,
GD entry number, just tell us the GD entry number.
8717.
GD entry number, and also obtain whether any FIR has been registered on the basis of the said GD entry, and any material, if any, be also served on the next date. When?
Reopening my.
Reopen, 21st?
Thank you.
Can I be of 16, ma'am?
15, I have not granted anybody because ultimately it will come in.
Right.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, what is the urgency in this case? To be done in a vacation court? Yes, tell us.
Yes, your lordship,
Yes,
because the,
first satisfy us on that.
yes,
Then we'll go to merit.
yes, your lordship, the urgency being is that, your lordship, the suspension period
Hmm.
of 90 days has already expired, your
Hmm.
lordship. And as per the,
So we'll have to issue a notice today.
Yes, your
We'll have to
lordship.
obtain instruction.
yes, your lordship.
When a urgent matter is mentioned, not for an interim order, not for a notice,
Yes, your
list this
lordship.
matter again on 21st in the regular
Your
basis.
lordship, may I just,
In the meantime, the respondent state may obtain instruction.
your lordship, may
as-
issue notice, your lordship.
No, we are not issuing notice. This is not the way.
Obliged, Lord.
Pardon, your lordship, much obliged, your lordship.
Yet, my lordship, my lord, here dismissal of the Mojadar, my lord.
What is the urgency? Please tell us.
Urgency is only that, my lord, that till the retirement date, my lord, nobody should be appointed in my post. Only that was, my lord, otherwise.
On
otherwise,
21st.
My lord.
You do it on 21st. Mr. 21st motion. See, my idea is you list whatsoever matter during the vacation, 100, 200, we have no problem. But it should be urgent.
Only that interim for interim.
Yes, next.
21st one.
Made figure of it.
Yes.
Lordship say the urgency in this matter stems from the fact that the bid is closing on 19th of October. We had the bid that is under challenge.
But it's difficult to pass an interim order because you have two ground. One is joint venture
Yes, Lordship.
and other is within state of Assam.
Lordships.
You don't fill up either of them. Okay, for the time being, joint venture we can consider. But what about within the state of Assam?
Very well.
Can we stall up in tender process on this ground?
No.
You are well versed with the principle of laissez
We are
faire.
not asking for stalling. We are not asking for stalling. But we may at least be permitted. The question is this, Lordships. The question that falls for your consideration is this. This is a Government of India scheme under Swachh Bharat Mission. Under the Ministry of Department of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. What they are trying to execute is a MRF and a WTC, that is Material Recovery Facility and a Waste to Compost plant. They have formed a draft concessionary agreement, which is adopted by other municipalities of this state itself.
This is Jorhat. So do you say that Jorhat's municipal board being a creation of it's a constitutional creation that like local self-governments. Now will they be powerless to go to an extent that to incorporate these two tender conditions, number one. And in a judicial review, to what extent we will say that no, you cannot do this? What is the violation of Article 14 in this case?
Yes.
Except Article 14, we
I'm
cannot go
grateful-
beyond that.
I'm grateful for that
Yes.
question. Now, if Lordship will see, these two clauses are not incorporated in the other municipalities within the state.
Okay.
They adopt the national agreement.
No, you just please, if you can show that the national scheme, whatever the ministry is
Yes.
given and who is a financier, that policy is binding upon all these municipalities and they don't have any power to twist and turn fitting to their local conditions. Is there any suggestion?
I will answer it this way. This
Yes.
is the fourth bid.
Mhm.
If Lordship will appreciate, this is the fourth bid.
Mm.
In the first bid, this municipality allows JV. First bid they allow. I'll show the page. Second bid, they allow the JV.
Mm.
Third bid, they disallow. All these three bids stand cancelled. Now we are on the fourth bid, which they are again where they have said that JV is not allowed. Now the question is, what is so distinguishing? What is so different in the project that is being implemented at Jorhat vis-a-vis the projects being implemented at Tiok or Lamding, which satisfies that this clause needs to be incorporated? Ultimately, this is public money. This is public money for a public activity. You must welcome more competition rather than restricting competition. To that extent-
There may be a thinking that, okay, let us develop, let us give an treatment to the local organization. Can we say that this will be an out and out violation of Article 14?
If that was the thinking, then the first two bids where they allowed JV ought not to have come.
Cannot they become wise?
Well, whether they are wiser or they are not is for Lordships to decide. But today to restrict competition without any material on record may offend. I am not saying that the NIT process needs to be stalled. In any case, all other projects are being implemented across the state. All that we are saying for the time being, for the timing, let us
Mr.
participate.
M. Goswami, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R. Sinha, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The present writ petition is filed assailing certain tender conditions in respect of an NIT bearing NIT for establishment, construction, supply and procurement, fabrication, erection of machineries, trial run and commissioning of material recovery facility and waste to compost plant at Jorhat as per SWM rules 2016. It is contended by Mr. Goswami that this is the third round of fourth NIT for the same project, and earlier NITs were cancelled and the petitioner was allowed to participate in the aforesaid tender process. However, two new
Correct.
No?
JVs were allowed.
Okay, the joint venture in the aforesaid NITs, joint venture consortiums were allowed. However, in the NIT, which is under challenge, joint venture consortium has been excluded from participating, as well as a condition has been imposed that the parties should have mandatorily acquired the experience within the state of Assam. Full stop. Within the state of Assam. When so learned council for the Jorhat Standing Council, Jorhat Municipal Board submits that she may be granted some time to obtain instruction. Yes, what is your stand?
My stand is that Lordship
We are fixing it on notice on 21st. You have your instruction. He permit him to submit, but you will proceed. Until 21st, you will not. What is the last date of finalization?
19.
No, that is submission.
No, that schedule, the Lordship will find at page 181. Page 181 is the schedule. Time schedule.
181. When notice was issued?
Which Lordship?
When this NIT was issued?
This was on 23/9. We filed a representation before them on 1st of October. We said that please allow the JVs. 1st October, and then of course this court closed on 4th. So
Then-
therefore we could not come before that. But we had filed a representation, Lordship, on 1st.
Financial bid opening when?
Financial bid will open on, to be announced later on. But technical bid will be open on 21st of October.
Difficult. I am not at all satisfied with this challenge to this ground.
Lordship
No,
in
they have
similar
to justify why they are restricting.
No,
Why they are restricting?
Mr. Chaudhary, we cannot cannot go to that extent until and unless it is apparently hits Article 14. Yes, this is 9/11.
Lordship in different municipal board of the state, Lordship, Lakhimpur, Tinsukia, Margherita, Silchar, Shantipur, Ponitpur, all municipal board inside this clause, and the bidding process is complete in some Lakhimpur, even work is complete, Lordship. Same clause in
Please accordingly list this matter on 21st.
Please permit me, I'm not stalling the process.
No, you are not stalling the process, but moment we say that you are allowed to participate.
And let it be subject to outcome. Let my bid be subject to outcome. To that
No, then
extent.
all thing is stalled because they, according to you are not qualified bidder, so they will have to reject you.
Oh, Lord.
On 19, they will have to reject you. And if we say until subject to final order, they will have to wait for the final order.
That case, Lordship, will kindly appreciate.
You are
that.
late. You are not a smart businessman.
We are not late, Lordship. Please see our representation on 1st of October.
What is the representation?
Yeah,
You ought to have come straight away.
That is, now, we had a pre-bid meeting. In the pre-bid meeting, we submitted this on 110.
It will be difficult, Mr. Chaudhary, to pass an interim order.
No, all that we are saying is that, please permit me, let my bid be subject to it. And let it be.
No, understand subject to, see, Mr. Goswami, subject to is fine, but it will be on, what is the date? 19th. 19th technical bid will be assessed.
21st.
21st technical
Is when
bid
the court reopens.
reopens.
When-
Technical bid will be
That is-
reassessed. On that day, they cannot proceed because they will have to, this is subject to outcome. We have allowed it to participate.
Lordship will kindly appreciate. This is the fourth bid. In any case, this bid is continuing from March. So if they can defer the evaluation of the technical bid by a day or two, it can always be done. Heavens are not going to fall. In any case, this is continuing from March. First bid cancel, second bid cancel, third bid cancel, fourth bid now. We are the fourth bid. Let them defer.
Okay, forget about the first condition. Second condition, we are not finding any arbitrariness.
It is, Lordship.
No, because it says that we need an experienced person who is having experience in doing in Assam.
Question is, this is absolutely new technology. And what I have not put it on affidavit, but the projects that she has said, there's only one person who's getting it.
Maybe, see,
because that is
they
what
want
true.
a person having local experience.
Lordship, this is, I would appreciate if it is a project of national security or a sensitive project when you're restricting it.
No, this is no,
The
not that.
question is
This may be for the purpose of this. See, suppose in last occasion there was a tender. I still recall distribution of books. Nothing is required. What specialization is required? But they say that we want a person having experience in distributing as books in Assam. So that is Assam's Northeast condition is different. They, according to them, they want that we must have a person who is having experience. Can a read court say, no, you cannot do this. Will it be a violation of Article 14?
The question, may I just respond? To
Yes.
that question? The stipulation that it should be within Assam per se may not look like offending Article 14. But this clause has been incorporated, I'm saying on instructions to favor one single party.
Where is that statement and where is that? Have you made that a party?
No, we have not. That is why I'm
Yes.
saying, that is why I'm saying that I have not put it on affidavit. Be that as it may, what is it that you're trying to achieve? You must get the best technology at the best price.
They are the best to decide. And at this stage, at this
Let them
11th hour,
justify.
we are not inclined to stay this process.
No, we are not.
See, initially I thought that okay, you may be allowed to participate, but the only thing is that ultimately it will stall the process.
It will not rush it in the sense if the technical bit can be deferred by a day or two, and the lordships can fix this matter of reopening for final hearing. Let the technical bit be deferred by a day or two.
Will not
So
like
that lordships will balance the
See,
rights of both
I
parties.
could have done this, but your
Lordships will balance.
this tender condition, according to me, is not offending. So two things. One is I am issuing a notice, or other is rejecting your interim prayer by a rejoined order so that you can have the option.
No, I am not looking at any option anywhere, lordship.
No, of course, you will have a right. Na?
I'm not-
Instead of issuing a notice, I
No,
pass an order which at least you know the reason for not granting.
I appreciate lordship order, but that at this stage, all that I'm requesting my lordship with the greatest humility at my command is, please balance equities on both sides. Let that condition be deferred.
Yes,
by 2 days.
this is the important thing, balance equities. But to balance the equity, I am not getting these two conditions to be any violation of any equitable principle. That's why
Lordship,
prima facie.
Kindly, lordship will then have a look at this.
Yes.
RC, the draft, what about into main Heripan, please come to page 221.
Yes.
221. Let me demonstrate.
Yes.
This is what is adopted across the country.
That's why I'm saying,
And
please,
also, no,
this is the principle. Model quick request for
yes, this
proposal.
is by the
Can you
government.
do anything on record to suggest that this was the principle adopted by the Union of India while financing? These are the conditions prescribed.
Yes,
Anything?
these are the conditions.
This is request for proposal. Okay.
This is what is it supposed to be. This is the model concern here that is developed by the government of India. Now kindly see clause 2.17.1.1 at page 241. Page 241.
Yes.
Who are the people?
Clause.
Clause 2.17.1.1. It is under
basic
2.16
qualification.
eligibility of bidder. Who are the people who are eligible? And lordship will see second line from the bottom, joint venture.
Yes, I've seen that. Consortium.
And 2.17.1.2, the only restriction is total number of members in a consortium shall not exceed 2.
That is what I'm saying. Consortium, okay, it's fine.
Even joint venture.
No, joint venture consortium, fine.
Yes.
But what about having experience in state of Assam? You don't, if you
I-
say that I qualified a second condition, but I am debarred from the first condition, okay, I will allow you. But
I-
second condition also you are
I
not
will also
fulfilling.
say why the second condition
Yes,
offensive.
yes.
Please come to
Hmm.
page 246 is 3.2.1.
240,
246, 3.2.1.
3.2.
And A, technical capacity. For demonstrating technical capacity and experience, the bidder shall have to fulfill the following conditions. The bidder's competence and capability of projects undertaken in the last 7 financial years prior to the bid due date. Parameter. The bidder shall have experience of designing, constructing of dry municipal waste, municipal solid waste processing, and minimum 1 year of successful operation and maintenance of MRF, MSW processing facility in India during the last 7 years.
This is in India.
It doesn't restrict anything, lordships. In India, during the last 7 years preceding the bid due date.
Okay, now where is your, what is this request for proposal?
So this is the whole document of developed by the government of India, which is adopted by almost everyone, one exception being Jorhat Municipal Board. And they must have very strong reasons to demonstrate this.
Now, what you say, which are the other municipalities? Any writ petition file in this regard?
No. Lordship, in Lakhimpur,
And if lordship will
Tinsukia,
see,
Margarita, Silchar,
I
and
will just
Honeypur.
see, before my friend
So
starts.
therefore, I want to know anything on material, how this project, it is being financed by the ministry? Ministry, anything to suggest that this is the model you will have to follow and you don't have any right to change or alter? Anything to say?
No, all I can say is that please
This is the
see-
model.
No, this is the model.
This is the model. Anything to suggest that this cannot be changed, these conditions?
No, this can be changed, but that reasons I believe has to be very strong because please see to come to page 251. What have the other municipalities in the state done?
250.
One is Dergaon. Now please see Dergaon at page 257.
250.
257 Dergaon starts.
Hmm.
And please come to 257.
I am at 257.
7.
Yes.
Clause 19. Take on the compilation. Criteria for joint venture. Joint venture of not more than 2 members will be allowed for the RFP. This is exactly what the national thing says. Now, secondly, I am just handing over one.
Yes.
Now, sorry, Lordship, because of this filing, we had just missed out certain pages. We will put it on record, but please trust. Now, this is with respect to JFB. Now, let us see Dergaon, what it says with respect to experience. Please come to page 5 of the compilation. We will put it on. If you see project experience, Lordship, towards the end of the page. The bidder must have performed similar work with any central government, state government, ULB in the last 5 years from the date of submission of his bid and must have not debarred or prosecuted under any law of India. So there is no restriction of that you must do it in ASAP.
But according to them, these are the restrictions. This is Lakhimpur.
Let them put it on. No, now that challenge has not come before your lordships.
Are not
If lordships had the challenge come and lordship upheld that, then it's a different say.
Also, Mr. Goswami, referring to Mr. Goswami, learned senior counsel submits that the original RFP, original model RFP prepared by the ministry puts no restriction for participation of consortium or joint venture and joint which is discernible at clause 2.17.1.1 of the model request for proposal, which allows the consortium subject to the restriction that there cannot be more than 2 partners in the consortium. As regards the experience, Mr. Goswami, referring to clause
That is clause 3.1, Lordship,
page
3.2,
240 something page was just clause
246, Lordship.
246, referring to clause 3.2.1
2.1.
of the model request for proposal argues that only experience criteria prescribed is experience of successful operation and maintenance of MRF/MSW processing facility in India during the last 7 years preceding the bid due date. Mr. Goswami contends that by imposing the aforesaid 2 restrictions, not only the model request for proposal has been violated, but also a right of the petitioners under Article 14 and 19(1)(g) of the Constitution. First of par contra, Learned Standing Council for the Jorhat Municipal Board argues that there is no restriction under the model request for proposal for changing and modifying the tender conditions that suits the local condition of the state of Assam or or the municipal in question. And therefore, it cannot be said that any right of the petitioners under Article 14 or 19(1)(g) has been violated. She further contends that the other municipal boards in Assam, like Lakhimpur Municipal Board, Tinsukia Municipal Board, Margherita Municipal Board, etc., has also incorporated similar conditions. Full stop. This matter needs further consideration. Accordingly, list this matter on 21st of October 2024 in the motion column. Full stop. Considering the arguments advanced by the Learned Counsel for the parties, it is provided that the technical bid, what is the last date? 19.
19.
It is provided that the technical bid, which is supposed to be opened, or what you call open.
Technical bid opening date.
Technical bid is it is provided that the technical bid which were fixed to be opened on 21st of
October
2024 shall not be open on that day, subject to further deliberation on that day. Only that much will decide on that date. Okay.
May I, in the
If
meantime,
we interfere, then you will have a right to participate. Okay.
I'm very good.
On the next date, the Learned Municipal Board may also be ready with the record on the basis of which they have decided to put the 2 impugn tender conditions. That's all. You just give us. If we don't find anything on 14th, we'll either allow that, or if we allow, they will have definitely right to participate. That's all. Not only him, others also. Yes.
I'm very grateful. Right.
Yes, Mr. Bopat.
This is a matter, my lord, that a contextual matter on the supply of medicines, my lord. And
but your period is already over.
no, my lord, period is not over. It will be over on 16th of December, my lord. Prior there to, my lord.
16th of December, they have issued the notice
but
for
then,
tender process.
my lord, There is a clause in the tender agreement, my lord. If your lordship comes to page 27,
Page 27.
page 27,
Yes.
clause 12, my lord,
Hmm.
period of contract,
Hmm.
may I read, my lord?
Hmm.
The contract shall initially be for a period of 3 years
Hmm.
from the date of signing of the contract.
Hmm.
The contract is not extendable ordinarily
Hmm.
after it is over. However, the contract may be extended for 1 more year on the same terms and conditions of the contract, strictly on the basis of satisfactory performance at the sole discretion of additional director CGSD Guwahati with the approval of the ministry, my lord.
Okay.
So for that, my lord, on 23rd,
Hmm.
annexure 11, my lord,
You have
we
filed a representation.
filed a representation that is pending, my lord, that is not disposed of. And by that time, my lord,
What is the last date of submission of tender?
the opening of the technical bid will start on 21st of
21st.
if your
Have you
lordship comes to-
submitted any bid? What is the last date of submission?
last date of submission 21st, Milan.
Last date of submission 21st and technical bid opening on
Same day, Milan.
same day.
Yes, Milan.
So what we are doing is we are fixing this matter on 21st. Now asking them to dispose of your representation before that.
Milan.
Before that, and you participate, we are also giving you a right to participate in the tender, but whatever we'll decide on the next day. I think this will balance everybody.
Milan.
Hard. Mr. R.C. Borpatra Guhai, learned senior counsel, assisted by MS.S. Borpatra Guhai. And who is for the, you are?
My lord, I can, but I am going to.
Central government.
Yes.
State or 9.
Okay,
Mr. Parasar, learned counsel accepts notice on behalf of
all my lord.
issue notice all. No? First, no, not okay. Not so. Returnable on 21st of October 2024. The petitioner is having an existing contract till
16th of December 2024. Milan.
16th of December 2024. Full stop. It is the contention of the petitioner that such contract period is extendable for another one year and another 1 year
at the sole discretion of the-
on another 1 year at the sole discretion of additional director, CGHS Guwahati, with the approval of the concerned ministry, subject to satisfactory performance of the contractor. Mr. Borpatra Guhai argues that by annexure, which is the representation, by annexure,
Annexure 13, Milan, or Annexure 11, Milan.
by representation dated
Dated 23rd of September 2024, Milan.
24,
Annexure 11.
filed before the
Filed before the additional director. Milan.
additional director within bracket annexure 11, the petitioner already requested for extension of the contract in terms of the aforesaid clause much ahead of expiry of the contract. However, without considering such extension, a tender notice has been issued for a fresh period of contract. Accordingly, the present writ petition is filed. Full stop. Issue notice to full. Considering the limited nature of grievance, as an interim measure, it is provided that the director CGHS Guwahati shall consider the representation of the petitioner and pass a speaking order in terms of clause 12 of
Clause
the
12
of the contract agreement.
Well-
Clause 12 of the contract agreement before the last date of submission of the tender documents. Tender documents pursuant to tender notice dated
18/9,
18/9/2020.
24, Milan.
2024. Full stop. It is further provided that the petitioner shall be at liberty to submit his bid also pursuant to the aforesaid NIT without prejudice to any of his right that has been raised in this writ petition and subject to outcome of this writ petition.
My lord, he may inform the respondent by tomorrow, my lord, with the order.
Okay.
before, my lord, because officially
The
closed.
petitioner is permitted to furnish a copy of downloaded copy of this order before the respondent number,
For-
respondent number 4, along with a copy of this order by tomorrow.
office বন্ধ রাখবেন, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord. He studied for the government school, my lord, admittedly papers are there, my lord. And earlier he was selected on the basis of.
No,
state
yes,
paper.
what is your instruction?
Lordship, here, the only dispute was whether there was a private institute was written over there. Lordship, we have sent it to SEBA for confirmation.
Okay.
So if SEBA is in favor, then he'll get the seat. Lordship, if SEBA.
Now, what should we do today?
Lordship, on, Lordship. may
When
fix
when it will happen, suppose so till SEBA decides, you will keep the
Yes,
post vacant
yes,
for him.
Lordship, if SEBA is in favor, then he'll get the seat. But if SEBA.
Now seat will be over, my lord. So
No,
one
no,
seat-
No,
Yeah.
that's why we
That-
want to understand.
That seat has been left, right now it has been blocked, Lordship.
So here's his instruction.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
record it. We'll record it. Heard,
Only
Mr.
thing is, my lord, page 30, say they're from the government school. Admitted, my lord.
No, there are differences.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are in a government,
My lord.
but you have dropped it.
No, that is also not correct.
So therefore, we'll
Sir,
examine.
SEBA is the authority, Lordship. If they-
Anyway, my lord.
if
Yes,
they-
that's why. If that is, I do not think they will deprive.
Lordship may fix it on
Heard,
21st.
we'll fix it on 21st.
Lordship, and by then.
Heard Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A.H.M.R. Chaudhary. The grievance of the petitioner is that the petitioner was selected for
On online counseling.
selected for appointment
For
to
admission,
the MBBS course
for
for the
admission,
year.
for 24.
No, it should be 24-25 or 23-24. 24-25 against 5% quota earmarks for the students who studied GOP school. However, at the final stage of counseling,
Not final, my lord. Second, offline counseling.
at final stage, this is
But
the
the selection was made, medical college.
that is the final stage of counseling. At the final stage of counseling, the petitioners was denied not appointment, denied admission.
Admission.
Denied admission on the ground that he has passed from a private institute. Full stop. Accordingly, the present writ petition is filed asserting that all throughout the petitioner has studied in a government school and
College.
government college, nor
Higher secondary.
no government higher secondary school, nor did he drop in the 12th final year session. Full stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for the
Health department. Lordship.
health department on instruction submits that as there was as it was written in the mark sheet of the petitioner
Private institute.
as private institute, the counseling committee has referred the matter to the SEBA, Secondary
There-
Education,
There are 4 other similar cases, total in 5.
SEBA,
Council.
SEBA or council whatsoever, to the Higher Secondary Education Council,
Council.
along with 4 other candidates, and they are awaiting the response from the said council, and the post shall not be filled up by any other candidate till such report is received. Full stop. In view of the above, let a notice be issued not notice. Accordingly, let this matter be listed in the motion column on 21st of October 2024. In the meantime, the learned standing council shall obtain the updated instruction. Full stop. As the learned standing council has submitted that no such vacant post shall not be filled up by other candidates till the report is received. No interim order is passed today. However, the petitioner may repeat their prayer for interim order if necessity arises.
Problem.
Yes.
Under the petitioner before it, Lordships, Inspector of the school, my lord.
Huh?
Inspector, my lord, of police, my lord. Initially, they were appointed in the year 2008 as a.
Now, how do you say that you are supposed to be terminated? Where is that?
On
Where is your apprehension?
Lordship, Annexure 5, page 36 million.
Annexure 5?
Page 36. Relevant portion is at page 37, the first paragraph.
What is that High Court's order?
High Court's order is at page 39. Page 42 is relevant.
30?
42, Your Lordship, Annexure 42.
You are also petitioner or what?
No, Miller. Some unsuccessful candidate has approached me. I was not made party in this case.
Heard, Mr. I. Rafiq, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Yes, who is for the state? None appears for the state respondent, though name of government advocate is shown. The petitioner is aggrieved by an order proposal. Is it proposal?
Yes, Miller.
Proposal dated 10th of September 2024 issued under the signature of
IGP
Inspector General of Police within bracket administration to the additional Chief Secretary to the Government of Assam, Home and Political Department, Dispur, Guwahati, proposing removal of 17 numbers of officers from service purportedly in pursuance of this court's order dated 14/7/2000 part 14 passed in WPC 4435/2018. Full stop. The materials available on record now who you are at serial number?
Milord. 13 and 14.
You should seek a review of the division bench judgment, not this.
Because Milord, in the meantime, latest development has come, Milord. Those things will not cover now, Milord.
Huh?
Now, Milord, another list has been published, Milord.
This list is the final list.
This is the final list. In the year 2017, it was prepared, Milord.
No, this was prepared in the year 2000. What is the new list? Where is the new list?
New list, Milord. Okay, fine.
Have you made those parties new
No,
list?
The new list is at page 44.
Page 44.
The new list.
It is the new list.
Yes, Milord.
Now, your name is not there. Now, whose names are there in your place? What should be your merit position? Is it there?
My submission is this, Milord. I do not want to disturb them also, Milord, because in the meantime, Milord, 16 years has been passed, Milord. And
you have also been promoted.
Yes, Milord. And they have also been promoted, Milord.
They were also appointed.
Yes, Milord, they were appointed.
When they were
Because
appointed?
vacancies was there, Milord.
Full stop. কি করলো? Record suggests that shows that by an order dated 14/7/2014, a coordinate bench had permitted the government to redo a select list for appointment to the post of assistant sub-inspector. Full stop. In the aforesaid writ petition, the appointment to the post of assistant sub-inspector was put under challenge by 6. How many petitioners in that writ petition? By
17.
17. unsuccessful candidates. Full stop. The the council appearing for state of Assam during the course of deliberation submitted that as the rules regarding roster was not properly followed, the government would redo the select list as per roster rules. In the aforesaid backdrop, the order dated 14/7/2014 was passed by a coordinate bench. Full stop. Such exercise has been carried out after almost 10 years of after 10 years of passing of such order and the decision of the government to redo such select list, and the select list was published on
On Milord 23/5/2017.
now. What happened after 2017? You are challenging here now, right? Now.
Milord, all these things has happened behind my back, Milord. I was not a party in the writ petition.
No, select list was also not behind your back.
Milord, we are not
How
aware.
can you say select list is behind your back? And what about page 45?
Yes.
Now the aforesaid judgment is sought to be implemented by way of the communication dated 10th of September 2024. Full stop. This matter needs further consideration. Yes, you are appearing?
Yes, Lordship,
Yes,
I'm appearing.
Spencer. Accordingly, issue notice returnable, give a date after 4 weeks.
Some protection, Milord.
21st of?
At this, Lordship, in a belated stage.
Only now.
Oh, madam, don't say that. What are you doing? You are issuing 2004 for 24.
Lordship, in that case, we need to take instruction.
That's why. So
Yes,
don't
Lordship.
respond like that belated stage.
Yes.
And what was your stand in the writ petition? That we'll redo in the year 2014. And now we are in 2024. See your face first in the mirror, then you argue that. Yes. People accept notice for all the respondents. 24 of so. Extra copies of so. Considering the long service of the petitioner and the specific stand that the petitioner was not a party to the earlier writ proceeding, and he is earlier writ proceeding till the considering long service of the petitioner as well as his promotion to the next higher grade during the aforesaid period, and also considering the fact that the petitioner was not a party in the writ petition on the basis of which the present re-examination of the select list is made, it is provided that the petitioner's service shall not be removed from service till the returnable date. Huh? Only one, only. Yes, what is this?
What have approved this honorable court petitioner is executing
Yes.
improvement of.
Also, there's the only praise that they submitted representation before the authorities. They want the consideration representation only also.
That may be considered at a stipulated time. My lord, work is progress very slow because of shortage.
Hard. Mr. J. Sharma, Learned Counsel, and Mr. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel for the Forest Department. The grievance of the petitioner is that he is engaged in a work for contractual work of construction of certain roads, and the nearby mining contract area is at Bandarkwa sandstone at Bandarkwa, and petitioner had made representation before the DFO NK division to allow him to remove required quantities of sandstone art from the said mining contract area. However, such representation has not been considered yet. In the meantime, the construction project is getting delayed, and he may be penalized by his employer.
Right.
Full stop. Mr. Gogoi, learned counsel submits that the petitioner has already filed a representation. Same shall definitely be considered by the DFO, concerned DFO of NK division. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid consensus, the writ petition stands disposed of, allowing the petitioner to submit a copy of this order along with a fresh representation before the DFO concerned, and the DFO shall pass a speaking order on the receipt of such application within a period of a week from such
15 days,
receipt.
my lord, 15 days.
Huh?
15 days. Work is progress, my lord.
No, we have said 1 week.
1 week.
You want to, we want
One week,
15 days.
One week, my lord. I have said this, my lord. My friend.
In a week. Yes,
1 week,
considered within 1 week.
All right, my lord.
Yes. Dispose of.
My lord, I want to withdraw the bail application.
Learned counsel for the petitioner
H. Via.
wants to, what is your name?
H. Via.
Miss M. H. Via, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that his instruction to withdraw this bail application. Accordingly, same stands closed on withdrawal.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we have lordship 123 days in jail
Offense,
custody.
tell us first
lordship.
offense, and I do not know this BNSS. What is this offense?
My lord, 164 clearly indicated I have flag mark, my lord.
Lordship, once, lordship already 123 days in jail custody, charge sheet has been submitted, lordship, nothing else, lordship, for the investigation to.
Scan copies has come.
Scan copy has
I
come,
will
my
take
lord.
out these are not the this POCSO scan copies has come, trial coming.
My lord,
We'll
but
fix
this-
it on 21st.
Then I may allow to withdraw, lordship, because of lordship ensuring puja is there, lordship, this person is 124 days, 23 days in jail custody, lordship. because-
124 days in jail custody
Lordship,
after search sheet. What are you saying?
Yes, lordship, that's what happened, lordship, the girl went to the jail to meet this person, lordship.
Okay,
There is a-
we are dismissing it then, if you are arguing it. We gave you
May I
a
allow-
proposal on 21st, either withdraw, if you want to withdraw, I don't have any problem.
There is an instruction, lordship.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition. Prayer stands allowed. Accordingly, bail application stays closed on withdrawal.
Hello.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, 483 application, lordship. As of today, lordship, 82 days behind the bar.
What is the offense? Tell us, who was the first FIR?
109 BNS and 118.
109 is earlier 307.
Okay.
And 118 is the grievance.
attempt to
right,
murder.
lordship.
Very difficult. Now you'll have to give me a list. Because after BNSS, I have not taken up this criminal matter. Yes.
Lordship,
What is the FIR? Tell us. Then we'll understand in terms of IPC.
lordship, type copy, we have filed an additional affidavit. And the original FIR is on page 10, lordship.
Base?
10, lordship.
What is the injury report?
Injury is, my lord, I am telling the fact, my lord. So the victim, my lord, made a slap to the, my lord, kids of the accused.
Okay.
In that regard, my lord, accused, my lord, assaulted him and kicked in the head. So, yes, my lord, blood came out. Subsequently, he became senseless and admitted in hospital, my lord. He remained 1 month in ICU.
Okay.
Now, my lord, one co-accused was granted bail. That in that case also I have bail, my lord.
FIR name is.
Yes, yes. Now, fact is that now at the present stage, my lord, his statement is recorded. At the time of my lord, his statement was not recorded. He is in ICU. Now he is recovered from the ICU, but he is still in hospital.
He is released.
Released, no?
Released.
That part is not coming. But one thing is that, my lord, here I have received today the injury report from the GMCH. So here final report is has to be taken from neurology department. But yes, that is there. He was admitted in hospital for 1 month. Now only materials are only length of 81 days.
What is the period? 90 days.
90 days.
Considering there are incriminating materials, only considering the length of detention.
Only length of detention.
Any other accused?
No,
only these two.
Other accused, one FIR accused, he only saw the incident. He has never assaulted me.
He was also arrested.
He was also arrested.
He has been granted.
Released
Yes.
bail.
Okay.
Purity loss.
To satisfaction of? CGM Kamrup, two
Oh,
surety.
oh, yes. In that case, who, the same judge who has granted bail.
Who granted bail?
That. what is the name?
That's why I'm asking any other co-accused.
Yes, yes, yes.
Justice Pratik
Oh, yes.
Any other co-accused, please tell us. Except these two.
No, no, other, not other.
Other allowed.
Obliged.
When we differ, then I would have said otherwise in the jail. All these systems
Yes,
are
yes.
technicalities only.
Yes, yes. Not
We
to-
do not know when we will see it. A person cannot be kept behind bar for all this reason. Yes.
Regular bail lordship, 41 days, intermediate quantity, 11.28 gram lordship. Recovered, that is from the bag lordship, not from.
How
the-
many accused? Please, this is the first condition today.
2 accused person lordship.
Two accused. What happened to other?
Both this petitioner lordship.
No other accused.
No.
Yes, what you say?
That 41 days today, FSL is not received. And third.
Others investigation is for, this is intermediate quantity.
Intermediate
Of what?
quantity.
Brown sugar.
Heroin, 30 point.
That is
More than 30 grams.
small quantity is 5 lordship,
And
commercial
their-
quantity is.
Oh, forget about. Ultimately, it's heroin.
They are peddlers. They are peddlers.
They are
They are
Peddlers,
no,
how many days?
41
days only.
How many days
60
they
days.
can see
60 days.
on 21st?
Kindly consider the. And your plus.
We are in peace for some time.
But lordship, that was not recovered from that. This is prosecution say it is from the bag lordship. They saw
NDPS
not-
very bad. I'm very
They are getting the bag.
Ultimately, you'll get acquittal because of technicalities. Yes.
Petitioner is witness custody for 61 days.
What is the offense? Of statutory period.
Yeah, loss.
Charge sheet not filed?
Not filed, yes, I am sure.
It কিমান হল এইটো?
It will,
59 days,
61 days.
60 days, but
To the satisfaction of?
CJM Kamrup.
What is
CJM
the
Kamrup.
offense?
87, the earlier it is 366 IPC.
87 of BNSS.
Kidnapping, abducting or inducing women to compel her.
What is the age of the victim?
Is a lady, but she is not yet recovered.
Recovered lordship.
Recovery report is not, now 87, no?
He is 26 years old.
26 years old.
20
What is the material against him in the case diary?
My lord, he has love relation.
Okay, the victim has been already recovered.
Recovered from
Love relation.
love. Considering period of detention.
Deeply obliged.
আমি যেতে পারবো না।
Petitioner behind the present 40 days lordship. It is
Offense,
family
please,
dispute,
please
lordship.
disclose the affair.
Page 10 lordship. The family dispute wife lost this affair lordship. The branch manager of Northeast Small Finance Bank.
To the satisfaction of
CGM Kamrup Metro. lordship.
CGM Kamrup Metro.
Much obliged. For sure, having NDPS small quantity.
My lord, small quantity, but
Just a
only,
minute. Where is the case diary?
FSL not
To
receive
give
only
them
21 days.
Statement
No,
of
no.
the witnesses. In that the
Days.
evidence and the investigation has substantially been progressed. The petitioner was thoroughly interrogated. Considering the matter in entirety, this court reviewed that further custody of the petitioner or may not be necessary for further investigation of this case. Yes, this is what is this?
NDPS
Item number?
Intermediate,
small quantity.
small quantity, but FSL not receive only 18 days.
Give a date.
22nd, my lord.
One coordinator has observed it is a bailable offense. Punishment up to 1 year, lordship. 18 days punishment, lordship.
What is the quantity?
Uh, 3 strips, 3 strip of tramadol, hydrocolloid, and 9 strip of nitrozepam.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
9 strip of nitrozepam tablet.
72 and 89 total tablet is
Counted tablet. 60 years old.
161 tablet.
60 years is not an age. Many senior councils are arguing, running in the corridors. Don't say 60 years old. It will be same on those senior councils here. Mr. Diganta Das, K.N. Chaudhuri. Isn't it? Don't say that 60 years is not a age.
Without FSL difficult, my lord, on the 22nd, my lord.
22nd.
18 days only.
Yes, Mr. Dotto.
And the case of theft, my lord, 60 days is the mandatory period, my lord. Today I am, my lord, behind the bar for 49 days. My lord.
What is the theft? What is
my
the
lord, palmolive refined oil, my lord. I am the driver and the handyman of the
palmolive refinery of quantity?
1,350.
You have projected as if that he went somewhere and
But,
taken some mobile handset or something like this. It's a group.
Here fact is that, my lord, they made fake number plate of the truck, fake SIM card, and new SIM card has been taken. Contacted them, my lord, they have the load is total palm oil, my lord.
1350.
1350 cartoon. And now subsequently sold it in my lord, different place for rupees 6 lakhs. Amount is very high, but they have sold it 6 lakh. Whole amount, whole quantity.
How many days?
49 days. 60 days.
Now 60 days. When will be 60 days? Only in 10 days.
60 days.
Why don't you file a search sheet for these people?
Even if a lordship passes an order today, my lord, I will be out after 4 or 5 days, my lord.
We are done.
Vacation will be there, my lord. That's a lordship.
I'm not fixing it on vacation because I do not want to burden the next judge with all these things.
Azara, my lord, today itself, this CD will be taken back and on 21st. If not.
No. That kind of submission is not
a good idea. Not good idea. Not good idea.
That is submission is not.
This is the failure on the part of the investigating. Almost 50 days. 10 days is okay. To the satisfaction of CGM Kamrup Metro. 1 lakh.
I'm deeply obliged.
Considering no recovery, they have sold already.
Sold, my lord. They have
Sold.
sold for
And
online my objection, my lord. In this case.
not serious. Every cases we are writing serious.
I appear before the IO, my lord. Once in a month, my lord.
Once in a month appear. One is in a 15 days.
Fortnight, my lord. I'm obliged, deeply obliged.
I think your police is also overburdened. They are doing their investigation. Just one liner to file submit. And FSL is also one of the reason.
In this case.
No, not in this case. But in every cases, FSL is awaited. But without FSL also you can they can do this.
Some kits are there for testing of the.
Yes, Chaudhuri.
Lady is
Vacation benefit. Yeah.
student of my lord. B.Pharma examination is coming, madam. And this section is not applicable to her, madam.
But my lord, one thing is that
She is not the owner, neither manager, madam. Her father
What is the offense?
offense is my lord
POCSO.
that one boy and one girl has taken shelter in my hotel.
You are the hotel owner.
I am the not owner, madam. I am the daughter of the owner of the hotel.
Daughter of the owner of the hotel.
My father is lying, my lord, on the dead bed, sorry, my lord, bed. And therefore, my
These are
lord,
the couple friendly hotels. Isn't it?
Oyo hotel and all these are going on, my lord.
for 25 days, my lord.
Then there
Lady,
are
my lord,
society.
student, my lord. I have given her.
Couple friendly hotels.
Yes,
You
it's
should
not
start doing something, making regulations and all.
Happens, my lord.
What is to do?
But,
Major, minor, what is her age?
Minor. 15 years and
Boys?
services.
Student, my lord.
POCSO-
Both are student.
POCSO
Class.
services awaited, my lord. I have seen.
No,
that-
tell us.
Implicated.
POCSO will not come against her.
Next time, no POCSO comes.
See, Now, no, C definitely
Sabina.
POCSO may come against C, but C is the owner. POCSO will come against that boy. Isn't it?
Yes.
Third, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. I.U. Chaudhary. Also heard Mr. Parasar, learned additional public prosecutor, or respondent number 1. So notice upon the victim, respondent number 2 is not complete. However, this court is considering the bail application on the basis of the material available on record, more particularly on the ground that the alleged sexual offense, the sexual offense has alleged to been committed by upon the victim by accused number
2,
not 2, accused number
yeah.
1,
Accused number, sorry, madam.
accused number 1, and accused number 2
Is the daughter of the owner of the hotel.
is the daughter of the owner of the hotel where the offense was committed, in as much as she has been arrested for the reason of her father being in a hospitalized condition. Also peruse the case there is there. Also peruse the material. Considering the nature of allegation against the present petitioner so far relating to the offense under POCSO, this court is of the view that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary in this case, in as much as the petitioner is in custody since
11/9.
11/9/24.
11/9/2020. 12/9/2020. To the satisfaction of
Special Judge
Special Judge
Dorong Mangal.
Dorong Mohammed.
Obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, 93 days here, lordship, the boy is lordship 21 years and the girl is 17 years 7.
Notice is complete.
Lordship,
Yes, can copy calls for it is not received.
Okay, sir. This is charge-sheeted.
Lordship, can you peruse lordship
Can copy
the
not received.
Huh?
lordship,
copy
can you
not
peruse
received.
the FIR lordship? That is on page 14 lordship. Now the parents have decided to arrange their marriage lordship. That affidavit is their lordship. Even the informant has filed an affidavit that is on page 24 lordship. They have settled the matter, say amicably lordship. Now they have decided to arrange their marriage lordship.
What is the age of the victim?
17 years 2 months lordship.
And what is the age of the boy?
21 years lordship. Only 4 years difference.
How many days?
Lordship 93 days lordship.
What is the total days?
90 days, my lord.
Default bail.
Default.
No, my lord, charge-sheeted.
Charge-sheeted.
Okay, sorry, charge-sheeted. When charge-sheet was
Can
filed?
copy was called for on the earlier occasion. It is not received.
Considering the length of detention and that the parents has already decided lordship, they have
Any statement of the victim, anything on record?
that lordship or informant affidavit is their lordship. They
No,
said
that we understand. But see, your whatever you have said is may absolutely be correct.
yes, lordship.
But sitting as a judge, we will have to have some material. Affidavit is not that material. We
Then
do not
the-
know
lordship, the
whether
result
the affidavit is under force or what. We do not know.
Kindly
is-
see the
affidavit is there. One parent.
We understand.
another
But this,
from the
on
informant.
the basis of that affidavit, we cannot grant bail.
page 26, the trial court's order is there, my lord. That
Earlier,
yes, ma'am. That will place some, my lord, light on the case, ma'am.
page 26.
Page 26, ma'am.
This after rejection of bail, charge sheet, compromise, this itself may be an offense. Who knows it?
Now lordship thinks
Can we
they-
say
there
that or
is a
since
love- lordship, there is a love affairs lordship. They said lordship there is a love affairs.
which page? Research.
Page 26, 26.
Page 27, middle part is relevant. lordship.
Page 28 also.
That is what I have expressed. Give it on 21st. You delay the marriage a little bit. You get married after. When will she attain age of 18?
Lordship, it will take Lordship another 8 month Lordship.
So you will have time to arrange for your marriage.
The boy,
After puja, you be out, then you arrange your marriage. Let her be 18.
in the
Then
meantime, parents has already decided.
How can? If
They-
you are saying I'm right now rejecting this
No,
application,
Lordship, I have already Lordship.
I have reported judgment
Yes, Lordship.
saying that no parents can compromise on behalf of the victim. Do you want that right now?
No, Lordship. Let it count 21. Lordship, regarding 33 Lordship, can it be on vacation court, next vacation Lordship?
No.
Already 41
No.
days Lordship.
No,
That's why Lordship.
no vacation court.
Because the 60 days offense Lordship for already recovered has been made regarding 33 Lordship. Lordship already
When,
fixed
when?
20. 21 has Lordship
It's
fixed.
difficult. I have not fixed anybody's case. Why
no
people
cases.
you fix in the vacation court?
Mentioned in the meantime Lordship is.
You can make a mention
But if there is
not fixed, not as a fixed item.
the vacation Lordship.
What was that offense?
Lordship only Lordship heroin 11.
Oh, only heroin. Then only heroin is difficult.
Small quantity. Lordship in between quantity.
See, everybody have their own thing.
Already
Yes.
Lordship 43 days recovery part is gone Lordship. That is already over Lordship. That's why Lordship considering the length of detention and FSL will say that.
No, that
positive-
matter is over now. Had it been different case, yes, next case.
Highly okay.
21st. দেখলো ওখানে এটা আছে হ্যাঁ তবে ওখানে yes
Please, Lordship. My lord, arrested on 31st July, my lord, 68 days, my lord.
POCSO.
Lordship may, yes,
is
my
there?
lordship may kindly have a.
Yes, it is there, my lord.
What is the statement of the
Only thing, my lord, the notice is perhaps not complete, my lord.
let us see therefore
Yes, my statement, my lord, I am reading one part. Joiner Abedin Muk Puribole Buli Loi.
what is the age of the victim first of
It
all
is 17 years, my lord.
and what is his age
24 years. But,
notice is not complete then what is her statement no it will not be possible statutorily without notice
That is
the specific allegations is there they have not taken steps even
maybe, my lord.
what maybe you have not the learned counsel for the petitioner has not taken steps for issuance of notice
Yes, no, office note dated 5/10.
510 is
Lord.
upon the respondent number 2 the petitioner is permitted to take steps for such notice within a period of 5 days from today.
In this case, the Lordship 61 days behind the bar, mandatory period is 60 days. Forwarding at page 12.
What is the offense?
3094 BN.
What is 309?
Robbery.
60 days and 90 days.
60 days.
Robbery is not always the
Not
60
always.
days.
It is extended up to 10 years. It is 60.
Robbery in the national highway. It is life.
Lordship. He was arrested on the 9th of the month, whereas the incident occurred on the 1st of August. He was nothing has been recovered from the constructive possession of the petitioner, whereas he has been arrested on some information of the co-accused person.
No, this bail, somebody we have fixed it, this case, Nagaon. Today there are some matters in this case. Some motion matters today. Just look into it. We'll call the other matters. Look in it. I think in some we have call for the case there. I think anticipatory. The driver was lying unconscious. The entire matter was taken from some other cases. Yes.
Problem.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
21B of NDPS Act, lordship, 51 days behind the bar.
What is the quantity?
Intermediate quantity, Lordship, 11 grams
11 grams of what?
heroin, Lordship. 51
What is the total date?
11 and 15.
Huh?
11, one in 11 gram and another
Nine-
14 gram. My lord.
14 grams.
So total, my lord, 25 grams.
Then it is intermediate.
Intermediate.
And
Five to-
what should be the detention
This
period?
is 60 days.
Now she is,
She is 51 days, my lord.
and what is the stage of
It
investigation?
is, my lord, pending for the FSL.
FSL.
my lord.
Heard. You are
P. Kolita, Lordship.
P. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Goswami, learned counsel. Here, so. Where is the case that he produced? It is seen that the investigation has substantially been progressed. Full stop. Statements of the witnesses has already been recorded. The investigation is complete in all regards except receipt of the FSL report. Full stop. The petitioner has been in custody since last 51 days,
Yes.
and the mandatory period of filing search sheet is 60 days, considering the nature of quantity of the contraband recovered and the period of detention. To the satisfaction of?
Judicial Magistrate Kamrup.
No,
Lordship.
not judicial. It should be special judge, is that it? Special judge,
Amin Gao, Lordship.
special judge, NDPS, Amin. 50,000.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, FIR is at page, lordship, 13, lordship. Copy, lordship.
43, my lord. They
Yeah,
just
lordship.
case on fixed on, my lord, 21st.
Other accused.
Yes, my lord. They're just to now.
Oh, that
Sir,
case.
Yes, but that's this case.
That will also fix on 20.
21st, my lord.
Lordship, now, lordship, today, lordship, another case is, lordship, fixed in, at court number 7, lordship, and CD is available there, lordship. I'm a lady, lordship, and one of my daughter is serious in, suffering serious illness, lordship. I'm having the document, lordship.
Item number?
Item number 34, lordship. At court
What
number-
is what is the item reached there? Item the code number?
Court number 7, lordship.
Can we send it possible or what?
They can send it.
Two
They can-
matters are fixed before 2 days. We should not take a decision.
Lordship, some similarly situated persons also released on bail, lordship.
Who has granted this bill? Who is?
Lordship, Honorable Justice Hound, lordship.
Huh?
Justice Hound, lordship, Honorable Justice. Last occasion, he told lordship.
Oh,
Only-
don't
only
say
lordship.
that. Don't say that.
They
don't.
told.
Only case diary was called for lordship, whether the materials is available or not, lordship. In the FIR, lordship, my name is not reflected, lordship, and nowhere, lordship, my involvement is there.
Yeah, but it's to what I mean.
You should have made a mention in the morning that that
Okay.
matter is listed.
In the morning, we can send there. madam.
In the FIR also, nothing revealed, lordship.
You are not getting my point.
Sorry.
Two judges are taking two matters. One is CDUT and I am here. If we pass to different orders, is it good? Wait for some time. Call the next case. Yes, next case. Yes, they.
Only thing, here, CD not received, man.
I think, Lord, Lordship will kindly see what has happened, Lord, the parent, the father of the petitioner, Lord.
What is the affair?
Lord said page 14. So the father of the petitioner lodged an FIR, Lord. Thereafter, Lord, the police came to-
Just a minute.
Lordship, Lordship.
Let there be peace everywhere.
Lordship will kindly come to page 22 for a moment, Milo.
Huh?
Page 22 for a moment, Milo. I'll just show you the serial list, Milo.
Mother, father, police, you have spared nobody.
Here, in fact, the
You should be better in a de-addiction camp.
no,
I think so.
Lordship was what happened. Lordship will kindly
Isn't
see.
it? Let
The
him
fact
be in
is-
peace for some time.
No, Milo, the fact is different, Milo.
What is the fact?
In fact, if your Lordship sees, the affidavit in the bail petition has been filed by the father, Milo. He went to withdraw the case.
This is the weakness of father and mother.
No, that is true, Milo. I understand, Milo, but Lordship. In the FIR, they say that he attacked with some sharp weapons. Milo, Lordship will page 20
Is
is
that
the
there?
Caesar list. Only the Milo from 24th onwards, Milo, he's in
How
jail.
many days?
15th day, Milo, today.
1-5.
1-5.
Be peace
No,
for some.
otherwise, Milo, nothing. Otherwise, probably, Milo, there is nothing. Nothing to be
Why
investigated.
police is against you? Tell us.
No,
What is the grievance of the police against you?
if that is so, Milo, let me kindly come to page 11, Milo.
Page 11. Let us see. What is your grievance against? Yes.
This is what has been done inside, Milo.
No. Why? We want to know.
Milo, because I was not willing to go to the police station. I said that I would be going in the morning.
Why police reach your place?
Because of
On
the-
whose request?
On the affair of my father.
With the helpless parents.
True, Milo. True.
Isn't it?
True.
So who knows that you will not come back tomorrow and create the same situation?
It is Milo. But the similar.
See, police has not come to your place on your own.
That is true. That is true. But only thing, Milo, now.
There was an SOS call from your parents that please help us from our son. Isn't it?
Yes. That is there.
Thereafter, you said, who are these police to arrest me?
No. In fact.
Okay, there may be exaggeration. Because you were at that point of time in a high condition.
Maybe, Milo.
Not maybe, this is the correct fact.
Only, Milo.
So be there so that your body slowly releases the intoxicants.
No, but
And
only thing, Milo, that I attacked
parents
the
should
police.
send you to.
Let them do their. Let me come home, Milo. At least, Milo, because of the previous bill.
And very dangerous thing is puja is coming.
Exactly.
You will be again with this dholak, again you will start this on 21st for CD. Let the puja be over.
Only thing will because, Milo, even the medical report, there is no injury.
No, you be there at peace. That's why it's a good for everybody, for him also. This restriction of liberty, Article 21, is good for everybody now. At least till puja.
Can it be 15th, Milo?
15th is difficult. What do you say?
Ultimately, Milo,
How many days?
today will be the 15th day, Milo.
15.
Only 15 days.
Even he has learned his lesson, Milo. That is what I'll say.
Oh, I have serious doubt. 15 days is not enough to detoxicate the body. Yes, Goswami, what you say? After getting beaten up by son, father wants the son to be with him during puja. What can we do? Huh? You got satisfaction of?
He is the son, my lord.
CGM Kamrup.
CGM Kamrup. Heart so and so. From the affair, it is seen that the petitioner has allegedly beaten up his father and also tried to attack the police. And while the informant father called the police. However, at the same time, the father himself has shown this affidavit for release of their bail of his son. Considering the matter in entirety and as well as the nature of allegation, to the satisfaction of
CGM Kamrup, Milo.
CGM Kamrup shall not repeat such offences. Huh?
Deeply obliged.
This matter, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties. Can you type it right now? We want the order right now to sign. Submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that similar, the bail application filed by co-accused is being taken up today by another court. Honorable Mr. Justice K.R. Surana in court number 7, and the case there is available in that case. In view of the aforesaid, let the registry place this matter in the said bench today itself. Full stop, we'll sign it. Can you do it right now? We give it. Yes, next case.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
This case, your lordship,
Hmm.
based on year 22/8/2024,
Hmm.
as on today 46 days behind the bar.
That will come to later. Why they have arrested? We want to know first there.
Lordship.
Then the question of period will come.
This FIR page, your lordship, kindly.
Tell us, why should you read the FIR? Tell us. Tablets of quantity of?
Quantity of your lordship, 22 subclause B, intermediate quantity, your lordship. He uses drugs regularly, as per stated, page number 12.
Okay.
So he should be there.
So it should be there.
My lord.
Okay. When?
For FSL, my lord, on 22nd, my lord.
22nd.
Length of detention, length of detention, 60 days.
Puja. We do not want disturbance during puja from your end. Okay? Be there at peace. Enjoy. Yes.
Can it take?
Enjoy, huh?
15, your lordship.
No,
46
no
days.
15, no 15. Enjoy your puja there somewhere else. Yes.
46 days, 60 days, your lordship.
Let it be 60 days. We do not know. 21st, we are giving on 21st.
60 days over perhaps here 21 days. No.
No.
No, as he is.
46 and 47 for bill hearing.
Item 46, matter of father, mother, and brother. And item 47 is the actual, my lord. It is accused, my lord. The lordship
Where is the
find-
FIR?
In fact, my lord, yes, FIR is, my lord, also on page 16.
You are already on interim.
Already in time, so far item 46 is concerned.
Okay, father, mother and all.
Our mother and son.
Who are you?
No, no, no.
Where is the FIR?
Yes, FIR page 16, my lord. He is a student of NEET, my lord, and this victim was, my lord, disturbing him by, she simply slapped her, my lord, not to disturb. This is the case. Page 30.
He has appeared, but we have not received the CD.
Okay. 40,
47 and 40. 46, 47.
46 and 47, these are AB.
AB, my lord.
Interim to continue. Case diary is not there.
47, there is no interim.
Huh?
47, no interim.
What is the 47? Who is the 47?
My lord,
That the actual culprit.
that boy who had,
Okay.
he slapped her, my lord, because
Okay, we'll on 28. You are flying, B will be there.
28, my lord, too late. It is here, my
No,
lord.
I'm not considering interim today.
No, I'm not interim, my lord. Time at least for 28, my lord, too. 28,
Yes,
he
yes,
said.
give a try
Yes,
with,
yes, I will try, my lord.
because the CD
20
will reveal everything, their
Yes.
statement and all.
24th. my lord.
24th? 24th. Interim in 46 and 47. In 46, interim order, partial shall continue.
Published.
My lord, in this case, charge sheet has been given, showing me absconder. So when I filed this petition, I want to appear because I had no knowledge earlier there was a case against me. Section.
You are on,
Not on interim lordship. I am the amicus curiae in this matter.
Hmm.
My learned senior has just submitted that he wants to appear before the learned trial court. But if your lordship kindly sees the scanned copy of the LCR, the last order which has been passed, the petitioner has got filed an adjournment petition through an advocate on the ground that anticipatory bail application is pending before this honorable court and the petitioner is not appearing before the trial court. It has been 4 years. 2019, the FIR was lodged. 2024 now, 5 years.
where is the FIR?
Where is that?
Page 11.
Page 11.
Case diary is there?
Okay, my scan copy is there. It is
Yes.
it.
No, but
Lordship, typed copy of the FIR, page 11.
not type
It's not
copy of the
correct.
scar. Anything in the scan
There-
copies showing, what is the next date fix?
The next date, my lord, it is on fixed on 18/9. 18/9 order is there, my lord, but next order is not there because on the next date he is required.
What is the,
18/9, next
what,
week.
89 is gone.
In 15 days. I
No,
will
no,
get.
no, that is not the issue. Issue is you have been declared as an absconder.
Yes. Charge
Okay.
sheet with the app showing me absconder.
So therefore, we want to see the case diary, whether the proper procedure to declare you the absconder is,
That is not followed.
so that we want to see from the scan copies.
CD will-
Scan copies received,
Yes,
Scan
sir.
copy is
is the CD is there?
CD there, my
Have you gone through why he has been declared absconder?
lord. He is directed to appear, but he has not appeared, my lord.
Why the court
No, during the investigation,
No, my lord, absconder is not by the court, my lord.
not by the court,
It is.
it was sent in the search sheet
the
saying
search
that he is absconder.
He is absconder.
Now to say that there must be some attempt to arrest him.
Yes, yes.
Something must be there
is
to
there,
show
yes.
that his address is proper. There was an attempt, he had a knowledge,
Yes.
then only you can say
Yes.
absconder. What is the material to that effect?
My lord, his house search has been done, but he is not present at that house. That is what is there in the CD, my lord.
Okay, on 21st. We'll see the plague mark those part.
Plague mark, plague mark.
Mr. Goswami is permitted to go through the scan copies of the case diary received and to address this court whether any attempt to arrest the petitioner was made and on what material the petitioner was
Also, my lord, we do not know on the next last date what had happened in the
that we
order.
are not coming for them because he will definitely say,
Because
please, I mean,
some bearings are there, my, because this is the last chance he was given to appear. If he is not appeared,
last chance given by whom?
Last time was given by
Court.
the matter is pending in the High Court.
No,
That's
matter-
why.
That we are not going. If the
if
court
any-
issues warrant, let him issue warrant. We are
Yes.
not making any comment on that. It's
Yes.
up to the court. See, fundamental thing is to give a person, treat a person to be absconder.
Yes.
Certain foundational facts are required.
Yes.
Whether those foundational facts are required, because in otherwise police will any case will go somewhere. Okay, he is not fine.
Yes.
So therefore, we want to
Yes, yes.
see this to before passing an order.
Yes.
So it will let it be on 21st. Therefore, I have framed these two issues.
Yes,
And whether any and what basis the
I understood what Lordship
what,
said,
on
ma'am.
what basis this was. Now you want to say that he has taken time.
No, I am not saying that. Whether any order has been passed in the trial court, any PNA or anything has been
No
issued.
PNO was issued.
You be ready to be that, Mr. Since you are appearing
Because-
passing adjournment,
because
you be ready with the order
order at
passed
least.
in the
That is what I am
in
saying.
in
No,
the
we
case.
have filed the petition. that
Mr.
our
বিশ্বাs, you are
petition-
not getting it. You have filed the petition, meaning thereby you are aware.
No, no,
we-
now when we notice.
You
we
are
have come
you are
before the
aware now.
Yes.
Now what we are suggesting is on the next day you show us the order sheet after you file a representation. What happened in the meantime?
Yes, that is
important.
that is
That is important. That is what he is suggesting. That let us understand on that also. Suppose there is a PNA, we find that your declaring absconder is wrong. We may say that okay, forget about the PNA. This is in your interest. Or
this PNA, then AB is not barred. by the
okay,
act.
okay,
That is also
we'll see that whatever is. That is what we want.
that is why I am.
Dictate controller. What you have written? List this matter on 21st. On that date, Mr. Goswami, after perusal of the scanned copies of the case, they shall assist this court as regards whether the procedure required to be followed was followed by the investigating officer before sending the petition.
Declaring absconder.
Before sending the petitioner for trial as an absconder. As an absconder. Okay. Please this matter on 21st. You also, madam, look at that. This is the vital case there.
Lordship, I'll try to get some assistance. It's in SMEs.
Yes. You go through that. Yes, next.
My pleasure.
POCSO.
My lord, yes, so we have POCSO, there
Yes,
steps
my
were taken, but we have contacted, my lord, whether the notices were served or not, my lord. Now we have not received the instruction whether any notice served or not. my lord. Otherwise, it
And,
is a case 17 years, my lord.
And the boy?
As per the 164, boy is also.
Any evidence taken?
No, my lord, it
Okay.
is a not
Not yet farcited.
Not yet farcited, my lord.
Case there is there?
Case there is here, my lord.
What is the statement of the this is AB?
This is AB, my lord.
What is the statement of the victim?
He stated that, my lord, মই সৰু হৈ থকাত পলাই যাবলৈ অমান্তি হৈছিলো তেতিয়া মই এদিন ঘৰৰ বাহিৰত থাকোতে মকলিছ আৰু এজন ল'ৰাই মোক জোৰ জবৰদস্তি লৈ গৈছে।
Who is Moklis?
Moklis is the
He is
deputy
the
chairman.
petitioner here.
And then
she was taken to his home.
okay,
And after that, my lord, she was assaulted by the mother of the petitioner and
Understood, understood now. Story is understood.
Yes.
Mr. Goswami, learned counsel, prays for some time to complete his instruction whether notice has duly been served by the concerned police station upon the respondent number 2. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on
23rd. my lord.
23rd. CD be retained till then.
Much obliged, my lord.
Corrected.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Page 10 is the FIR, lordship.
Is 10.
Yes, a small FIR, lordship. Married, lordship.
What is the case?
Well, here is a 302 case.
Who are you?
I am a neighbor.
Why are you apprehending arrest?
Because my name is there in the FIR, lordship, and I have a good relation with that family. I used to go to that family frequently. Therefore, I am doubted, but everything.
Why this? What is the postmortem
The
report says?
postmortem report says there are injuries, my lord,
Hmm.
and all injuries are blunt force
Hmm.
and anti-mortem in nature, my lord. That is
Okay.
one part. And
Now,
secondly, my lord, he was suspected because he has some relationship with the wife of the deceased, my lord, and all the
wife of the deceased also arrested.
arrested, my lord.
What is her statement?
Her statement stated that they were in good terms, my lord, but she has denied other things, my lord. But
So,
the
who
witnesses,
killed, the wife or him?
as per the, my lord, the statement of the wife, my lord, she stated that we have good relationship with the our household, and that is why he used to come to us.
No,
That
what is anything regarding the
yes,
death?
the other villagers, the witnesses so far might say circumstantial evidence, my lord. Yes, my lord. They
So
all doubted that
his custodial may be recover
Recover.
necessary and both of them.
both of them, because joint
Lordship-
interrogation is
Lordship,
necessary.
may
my lord.
kindly see one thing.
You know kindness here. Yes.
Lordship, may kindly see.
Yes.
I am a neighbor. I used to go to that house frequently, lordship. And on the day of alleged occurrence, lordship, at 12:30 midnight, lordship, the wife came out from the house and he was beside the deceased person, lordship. Is the wife of the
This
deceased.
is the difficulty. See, we understand. The wife came out 12:30 and says that something has happened. She has raised hue and cry
Yes, lordship.
at 12:30 in the midnight. And the postmortem report, so she was the last together with this,
Yes.
with this man. And date is established, place is established, her presence was established. Prima facie. Now, the other circumstances suggest an extramarital affair between you and him. Suggest, we are not saying. In that regard, whether you are an accomplice or not, needs examination.
Statement of the wife of the.
So
victim is
therefore,
there,
there
lordship.
may be necessary examination because she has also not said that I have killed her. Him. She has not said.
Whether she has stated about my involvement, that is.
No, she has not said.
Yes, lordship.
She has not said. So therefore, there may be necessity for the investigation in this case. How many accused are there?
2 accused only, my lord. At this petition is, my lord, he is the prime accused, my lord. He is the neighbor and wife.
Wife. These are the two suspects. Third,
Lordship, then Lordship may kindly take up it after some days, I will apprise your Lordship.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner,
Reopening Lordship.
matter stands adjourned and will stay on 21st.
21st.
21st. Case diary may be written.
Obliged, Lordship.
Maybe lost. But the petitioner is named only because he is the owner of one of the motorcycles, man. Page 9 is there.
Charge sheet file.
No. This is date 10/8/24. FIR. That is another case number, I think, madam. Our case number is, madam, you will find Kajolgaon.
Huh?
Our case number is Kajolgaon.
Where is the FIR?
Yeah, page 9.
Any interim?
No.
Page 9.
Page 9. Two motorcycle, my lord, 5 persons, and they were carrying 2 kettles, my lord, that year. In the sack, my. Improbable story, my lord, 2 within the bag, my lord.
What are the offenses registered?
My lord, that is assault by the 353 earlier. That is the 132.
Just a minute. FIR is at page 9.
Page 9. Page 9.
What is this sex?
The bag, my lord.
Huh?
Bag. Is it possible at 2 house within the motorcycle, my lord, 5 persons? My only question, my lord, he has come to my house because his father-in-law's house is nearest my house, my lord. And they have taken my motorcycle. That number is also there, my lord. Saying that he was going to BRPM. And one person already arrested, number, yeah, my lord, 1.
Who are
It is
you?
stated
You are
that, my lord,
Number 5. I am
in the
number
Assamese portion also I am reading, my lord.
Bostad.
Yeah,
Huh?
probably they are small
But still, 2 cows in a bike in both.
in the Domora, that is
Damra is a Damra. Damra, weight of Damra will be what? How much?
Yes.
155.
No, forget about the small, if anything, is a calf.
Yes.
Can be, my lord, if it is in the bag.
Not
If it is
actual
Now-
practice, but
is-
actually some money was.
Now, who are you?
But I am number 5, my lord. I am the owner of one of the motorcycle, my lord. Out of 2 motorcycles.
Who was arrested?
I arrested number 1, Shariful Islam.
Sorryful arrested.
Arrested. Only arrested. In fact, my lord,
What is the case there, he says?
The case they have not received, my lord, that is.
story is otherwise, my lord. Because
Okay.
of 5% put it demanded money, ultimately story also. This is the story, my lord. I did not put it.
Okay, on 21st.
Interim if possible.
That
This-
is, they are already, you are already, otherwise you are on
this
interim,
my lord,
nobody will
because
arrest you.
Improbable story, my lord.
In the meantime, there may be some settlement between you.
Something that
Yes.
matter like somewhere else, my lord.
That we understand. We are giving a scope to do that.
If possible, my lord, because.
Not today, not today. 21st, okay?
Right.
May I visit your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the FIR is at page 10, the
Hmm.
civil nature dispute.
Where is that?
Page 10 is the FIR.
Are you on interim?
No, Lord. Is a typed copy. When this FIR was lodged, And when this FIR is lodged, page 46 was the agreement which was drawn in the police station itself. Page 46.
It is there.
It is there, my lord.
What is this?
Yes, my lord, same.
Art.
RJ Das.
You are Mr.
RJ Das.
R.C. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. So hard Swenso. This is an application and the Swenso. A case diary is produced, peruse the same. Is seen from the case diary that the investigation and substantially progress. Statement of accused person. A statement of
Okay, he's not-
witnesses has also been recorded. Full stop. Considering the nature of allegation, this court is of the view that the custodial interrogation of the petitioner accordingly presence and allowed, you appear within a period of 10 days.
Deeply obliged.
What is why it was timing?
Regarding the date, my lord, on 25/10 it was fixed.
Other case.
Other case.
So list this matter along with
309 subsection 4 is only 60 days mandatory period, Your Lordship, whereas he is behind the bar for 61 days.
what do you say?
Lord, because two parts are there in the robbery.
That was anticipatory.
Anticipatory, my lord.
Okay, let him go. Then application Swenso. The petitioner was arrested on 9/8/2024. Full stop. Case there is there?
Case there is not there, my lord.
9/8/2024.
It is also not clear. whether this
And
custody
he has
laid down.
already been in
61
custody for
61 days.
61 days. 61 days. The mandatory period of completion of the
Lordship may not hold it because my lord, if any search sheet has been laid down, then it will be only the detention part, my lord. Otherwise, we cannot say. that.
Can you have instructions RCTs file or not?
Yes, just.
Huh?
The Lordship is sitting.
I think
because
there
are
will be
some
some
matters-
some
matter-
unlisted matters are
matters
coming.
there, my lord.
So you have the instruction in the meantime.
Just in the meantime, my lord.
You have the instruction whether RCT is filed. If
Otherwise-
not, then we'll
Yes.
grant it. No act
But-
two, whenever we see it,
come.
because our list is over now, I think unlisted will come.
No.
Published.
London Magistrate,
Hmm.
then only came to know that the case record has been transferred to another PS and same and in new PS case has been registered, re-registered along with that PS.
We'll see. Okay, we'll see. Yes, Kusami.
See, here CD is there, my lord, because in some other cases CD has come. So my lord, search is not filed. But regarding the mandatory period, my lord, there are two parts, my lord, in 392, my lord. One is, my lord, whether robbery is conducted before sunrise. Before
That is
sunset,
what I have said.
Now, my lord, this case is, my lord, after sunset, as
So-
per the witnesses concerned, my lord.
So if it is after sunset,
Then it will be 90 days, my lord.
90 days.
So Lordship has to dispose on merit, my lord.
And
CD is there.
when is the other case date fixed? Some anticipatory bail file.
Yes, that is on 25th.
Because it is in highway in the night
Yes,
or
yeah,
night
highway in the
time,
night, yeah.
highway in the night.
Night, my lord.
That provision is not changed. That's
Yes.
why I've asked that
Yes.
whether it will come under.
That is, I want to show, my lord. It is 25th.
That in fact goes to life also.
Yes, 14 years, my lord.
14 years.
This Lordship is under BNS 309 subsection 4.
Four.
It says up to 10 years.
No.
Yes.
Is your 9, Lordship can.
That's why I
Last,
asked the
last
proof.
flag your Lordship will find. This is one part, my lord.
This is one part,
And
309
next page,
for
your
robbery.
Lordship will find.
Because 10 years, cognizable,
Next
okay?
year,
If robbery committed on highway between sunset and sunrise, then it will be rigorous for 14 years,
14 years.
non-bailable.
Mhm.
So that is what I have asked.
Yes.
Earlier also same provision was
provision
the
is
same
there.
provision of
That is,
there.
I want to.
CD is there, it may be disposed of according And but nothing has been recovered from the constructive possession of.
What is his role?
His role is that, my lord, now we are not talking about anything, my lord, but they said that they have prior contact with him. The prime accused, 2-3 persons are yet
Who
to
are
be
the
arrested.
prime accused?
2-3 persons are yet to be arrested, my lord.
Yes,
They
yes.
said that that person has intimated him to conduct the robbery, but he has denied. Earlier he used to do, but now he has stopped it.
How many? 61 days.
61 days. So
You can let him go since you have interrogated him. He is here. If necessary, he will appear, and if necessary, he will go. This
if materials are there, I cannot consider, my lord, that it is, my lord.
okay on this matter. This matter is on what is the next date?
25th.
25th.
Implicated me, and the apex code is clear in this regard that the co-accused.
If you argue that, I have a ready answer right now. It will take 2 minutes. Want that answer?
No, Lord. Yeah, I just.
If you want
still
that answer, I can just dictate.
61 days behind
It
the
will be 3 lines. No, 61 days. Your whole contention was on the basis of 3094. That I myself had doubt in my mind. Therefore, I have asked. And exactly that is the situation.
Yes.
And that happened within that period. So your right of 60 days is gone now. 90 days. So therefore, I am giving you 2 options. One is on fixing it on.
There's a humble submission that nothing has been recovered from the constructive possession.
If you still argue, I can dictate this order.
Still.
Yes. Option is yours. 20, 25.
20. Obliged.
Keep it.
Please,
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the charge sheet already been submitted, Lordship.
Scan
and,
copies.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Mr. Spencer, scan copies of, just write it down. Scan copies of. Registered to
yes, sir.
call for the scan decision application under Spencer. Scan copies of the
Special
record of special NDPS case number 32/2022 and the case diary of PS case.
Yes, it is, my lord, LCR.
Charge sheet, yes, Lordship.
Ultimately, we will require a case there, isn't it?
Lordship. Yes, case, Lordship. 57/20/23, Mornoi PS case
Mornoi
number
PS case number
57/23.
from the court of
And the special
from the
judge,
court of special judge NDPS
Gwalpara.
Gwalpara. List this matter on.
And special NDPS case number 32.
That we have already dictated.
23, Lordship.
Special NDPS case number
32/23.
just a minute. 32 of 2023.
I heard 22, Lordship.
1911. Give a date, earlier date.
14 month in custody, Lordship. 14 month, 13 days, as of today.
That custody is not important. After search sheet is filed, why are everybody is arguing custody? After search sheet is filed, custody is not important. You have to go see the merit.
Merit, Lordship, other.
Yes. 811.
Lordship, obliged.
Regular bail application arrested on 5/9/2024. Till today, my lord, 34 days.
When the other matters are fixed,
This matter,
the other 2 accused, this is
yeah,
Ranjit
is-
Pakoti,
yes,
other is
he-
Pradeep Kolita, one Prafulla Bora.
he
Their
is
bails are
accused-
pending.
Yes.
AB 2576, AB 2560.
He is accused in both the cases. In Dibrugarh 352 also he is accused.
Yes, there when.
Reopening matter. Because
Can you see this?
Yes.
How when these
Yes.
dates are fixed?
data set.
2576/2024 and 2560/2024.
Date to side.
These are AB. These are ABs.
Yes.
Just he will give the date.
Yeah.
Case diary on that date. Discuss. 2310. 2310. Okay.
Yes, case to side.
2310.
Yes. What is this?
Lordship, my offense is theft. I have
Theft
been-
of what?
Theft of RRU.
What is
Remote-
RRE?
Remote radio unit. The tower.
From the police station.
No,
Tower,
from
my
tower.
Okay.
Tower, Lordship.
And recovered.
Recovered, Lordship.
Case diary when?
I'm Khairani, my lord.
Ah.
It is on 28, my lord.
21 not making.
And nahi bo. Because nobody is there, because
It's up to you. I
Yes.
don't have any problem giving a date.
21, but they will not come, my lord.
Length of detention is 40 days today. So
21.
Twen-
okay.
24.
Give it a
Let
date.
it be 24.
24.
Fine. Message দিব লাগিব না?
Start seated.
Yes, my lord.
Scan copies of registry to
My-
call for
my
the
lord.
decision application suspension, registry to call for the scan copies
High Court
of.
earlier, High Court order has.
I have seen that.
Yeah.
Scan copies of record of. Is it not recorded at PRC nowadays?
No.
As a GR case number 94.
GR case number 94 of 2024. And the copy of case diary of Gormur PS case number 42/2024 from the court of
Session Judge
Court of
Majuli.
Session Judge, Learned District and Session Judge, Majuli.
My lord.
When?
LCR, my
Scan copy.
My lord, I beg to submit that.
Yes.
Earlier, the bail petition I have filed before this honorable court.
Hmm.
The honorable court has disposed the petition directing me to approach before the session judge. And accordingly, I have paid before the learned court below. But that prayer was rejected without any, without
Therefore, we do not want to do, we do not,
the searches has been submitted in this case.
therefore, we do not want to do that. We want to grant you a bail or not to grant you a bail after perusal of the material. If we do the same thing without hearing the PP, we will do the same mistake. Isn't it? Do you expect to say that, please give me bail today? That will be injustice to PP, which has been according to you, done to you without reason.
Yes, my lord.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So we do not want to do injustice.
However, your lordship may consider my longer detention.
No, the
76 days.
when search sheet is filed, detention is not important. What is important is what the materials are there and whether you have a chance to influence the witnesses. For that, we need to require the materials.
I shall abide by any condition, my lord.
This is not a procedure. You are not understanding. Yes.
No, no.
Gift of knowledge. Next question.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
This is a 482 lordship. Here, FIR lordship will be on find on page 17 lordship.
Who are you?
I am the lordship there. As per lordship, WhatsApp message lordship, their name is there, but specific allegation on one Sakir, who is the pinpoint, is the mastermind lordship of.
Why are you apprehending?
Because of that lordship, WhatsApp message lordship. Only because of WhatsApp message.
Who has given WhatsApp message?
That is the person did not disclose his identity lordship. That WhatsApp message lordship will get on page 22 lordship.
Page
22 lordship.
You are Mukaddimin.
Mukaddime 4% is their lordship.
If he did not, my lord, transport, then there will be.
It
Their
will be
lordship
difficult.
only see lordship. That's why lordship FIR doesn't mention this
Oh, FIR
person's
is
name.
not the gospel truth.
But
Not only, and FIR is the not everything.
lordship, after that WhatsApp message lordship, police has lodged this FIR. That is lordship specific against Sakir lordship. That is there in the FIR lordship. That is on page.
Therefore, you need not apprehend. Case there when.
Lordship, kindly protect this petitioner.
These financial scams difficult.
I am not lordship. We are
We
the
do not
solicitor.
know.
We are the solicitor. If
25th, my sword
solicitor
date,
lordship,
25th.
if lordship any adverse come against this petitioner lordship, kindly reject that time lordship.
That principle we follow, we'll have to give bail to everybody.
But the here lordship WhatsApp message doesn't say lordship. These are they are
Who is
holding
not
lordship,
arrested?
luxurious life lordship. That is
Yes,
the allegation.
Item
Lordship.
6.
Lordship date lordship can it be on?
Give a date.
25th, my lord.
Lordship can it be no intimacy there lordship 21st lordship.
Ask the
21 lordship.
Otherwise,
Highly applies.
21, okay. Yes.
May it please your lordship. Well, this is pre-arrest bail application, my lord.
Hmm.
The FIR is at page 14, my lord.
Yes.
But this long FIR may I read, my lord.
Hmm. What is the sum and substance of the allegation?
Common substances. What
Who are you?
My lord, I am one of the,
No, why have you destroyed the or construction?
I have not destroyed, my lord.
But allegation is there. Why? What is the
There is
reason?
no specific allegation against me.
Why the contractor is lost this affair?
But he is not the contractor.
Who is he?
Contractor is Il Sadas.
Now, why this is a contractor? He says I am constructing
He
a road.
says the contractor, but he is not the contractor, my lord. Actually, what had happened, my lord, this road was entrusted with the contractor. I have annexed the work order, my lord. Near about 1 year back. But that road was not constructed
So you
properly.
are
And then,
you
my
are
lord,
messiah of the
then
people.
then what had happened, my lord?
Is that it?
Well, then what had happened, my lord?
Tell me, I have understood you are the messiah of people. That why this road is not constructed.
But in fact, my lord, these two petitioners, my lord, not present and even no specific allegation in the FIR also. Well, if you go through the FIR, my lord, no specific allegation against the accused number 3 and 4. All the allegation against the accused number 1 and 2.
City interim within 10 days.
When 3 minor, some materials are there, madam. So
3 and 4.
No, I am giving who is 1 and 2 is given.
2 already arrested, my lord.
2 already arrested. Now against whom?
3 and 4. My lord.
3 and 4.
yes, but on 4th August, the accused person with the conspiracy accused person 2
See,
and
what
3
happened is the contractor has not constructed the road.
hindered the progress of the work.
Constructed the road. So they are the representative of people. Why
Yes,
the
sir.
contractor has not done it? So they have damaged the road.
Yes.
One is arrested.
Yes.
The name accused are arrested.
Yes.
All are before us or what?
Not only, my lord,
3 and 4.
accused number 3 and 4. So
Accused
allegation
number
is there.
3 and 4. There is no specific against
No
against 1 and 2.
Yes.
Who is already arrested?
2 already arrested.
Yes.
One let him
Yes.
get arrested.
Yes.
No, they're instigating part, my lord.
Okay. Considering in the interim, considering the nature of allegation made in the affair, and also considering the fact that the primarily the allegation is against the accused number 1 and 2, not against the present petitioner. As an interim, it is provided. So,
It is November did the first 10, 11. 10, 11.
Main hearing be
Made, please, your lordship. Here, lordship, lady and the 4 years baby in jail, lordship, for the offense committed by her husband, lordship. He has absconded, lordship. Now, lordship, 1.4 gram heroin recovered from the house of this petitioner, lordship. That rejection order lifted, that is on page 23, lordship, relevant portion on page 24. Second
when can
paragraph.
you have this case, Daddy?
Lordship, case there is here,
Case
lordship. on the
diary, my
last-
lord, what happened just now got the list, my lord. So my case diary.
Case there is
whether
here,
it is
lordship,
here
on the
or-
last day that is there.
Case diary, my lord, whether it will be there or not, my lord.
Lordship,
Well,
they have
not-
probably sent the case diary, lordship, because the last day case diary was there, lordship.
কেতিয়া send কৰিছে?
এইটো বোধহয়।
এইটো আজি এইমাত্ৰ this list has come out now.
Now, why this list is this?
Lordship, that's the last, kindly peruse the last, lordship, on the 410 order, lordship.
See, difficulty is this. 410, difficulty is this. There is no date fix. It is by surprise, by unlisted.
Lordship,
See,
this is-
please listen to us.
Yes, lordship.
The order was passed to fix the matter before the vacation court.
Yes, lordship.
Which vacation court? There is a vacation court next day also.
Yes, lordship.
So it is not only the judge's responsibility, it's your responsibility.
I have, lordship, that, lordship, since it is other case, lordship, that is also the same type of order, lordship, all
So,
those.
see,
cases
so
has been-
therefore you made a mention. Why you have made a mention today? You could have made a mention next day also.
No, lordship, that means because this is the first vacation court, lordship. Only because first vacation.
See, we understand,
Yes,
but
lordship.
this is the situation. Before making a mention, you could have intimated the PP that this case diary is on earlier occasion there. This was the order. I am making a mention.
On the last day, they were present, lordship. They were represented by the. Lordship, only 1.43 gram, lordship. This is a lady, lordship, with a baby.
Please be reasonable. It is an NDPS case.
Lordship,
Please listen to me.
Yes, lordship.
This is an NDPS. There is a bar without hearing, granting bail without hearing the PP.
Yes, lordship.
You are well aware, well versed with that. You have made a mention for listing today.
Yes.
Case diary is there, PP is without the case diary.
Probably case
Whether
diary is
they are or
last
not.
day was-
Case diary is there, PP is without the case diary because you made a mention.
Because lordship, that last day they were present lordship, that day lordship case diary could not reach lordship, that's why lordship they have fixed it.
Where is the date?
Case diary lordship,
Okay, I will wait, you search your case diary and come back. Okay? I'm sitting here. You search your case diary
then
and
lordship,
you
on the
come back.
next vacation court lordship.
There is a
Next-
limit
next
to
vacation
everything.
court lordship.
Reason
On 15 lordship.
15th.
Obliged lordship.
Learned additional public prosecutor, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that on last occasions, case diary was there. However, this court, a coordinate bench under its order dated 4/10/2024, directed to list this matter before vacation, in the vacation court. However, no date was given. In that background, the learned counsel for the petitioner made a prayer for taking up the case today itself, which was allowed by this court. However, the PP was not notified of such fact and therefore he is without the case diary. In view of the aforesaid, let this matter be again listed on.
Fifteen
Next date.
lordship
Huh?
next week.
When is the next?
15th.
15th.
15th of the.
Mr. Goswami, you also please, you assist the courts.
Lordship.
Bail cases every, so there is a mandate from the Supreme Court.
Yes, man, no, man, what happened, the case, just now we received a list.
No, I am not saying about this. See, for the last day.
Yes.
Vacation court's notification was long back that on this days there will be vacation bench. At least you should also request the court that please give a date either on this date or on that date.
Lots. I understand.
And bail as per Supreme Court judgment, every bail cases you'll have to fix a date.
Lots.
That too lordship in a until case lordship bail application has to be disposed of within 2 weeks lordship. And that for anticipatory.
That we are not commenting anything.
Yes, lordship.
Let us not comment on anything. Yes.
So, my lord, the case has been fixed, my lord.
But CD was, procedural CD. Well, there is a cross case, my lord. Main culprit is my lord Mohinuddin. He has been arrested. We are not for it. But my lord, what happened? Our affair is first, my lord. There is a cross page 11. Well, one of our person died and we went to the Kabristan for burial and up to 9 p.m. in the burial ground.
What are the offenses?
My lord, in my case, offense was, my lord, 326 against them. And their case, my lord, same day they have, when I was in the hospital, because of this struggle.
Where is the affair?
Our affair is page 11, my lord.
What is your name?
My name is Said Mia. I am the informant here.
When it was filed 24/8.
Yes. And my lord, I was struck down with the iron rod, a kukri. I was taken to the hospital at 9 p.m. on that day. And my lord, their cross affair.
Just a minute, just a minute. We cannot, we cannot appreciate this argument in absence of the case diary. Is not it? What is before us is the case diary. If we can make out anything, let us see.
Yes.
And what is the affair you are seeking bail?
Another affair is page 15, my lord, against me and our family people, my lord.
Heard. Mr. Bishwas, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. MP Goswami. The present application is filed under so and so, so and so, so and so. Full stop. Case diary is not available. Full stop. In case there is not available. Full stop. It is seen from the record that the FIR first in point of time registered as Manikpur PS case number 100/24 2024 under section so and so see page see page 12 pencil mark 325 326 this is 100 is against you.
Yes.
Huh?
No, 101 is against me.
100 is by you.
By me.
Want of time was filed by the informant and thereafter
Same night, my lord.
the accused person or the informant at the same time, the
101.
another FIR was lodged by the accused person in Manikpur PS case number 100 of 24 against the present petitioner, which was registered as Manikpur PS case number 101/2024 under section so and so, page 16. Pencil mark. Considering the nature of allegations made in both the FIR, this court is of the view that petitioner has been able to make out a case for interim protection. Accordingly,
Earlier, my lord, interim not granted.
Not granted. But case diary was called for both the
Case
cases.
also not
that's why case there is not there.
there, my lord. I
Accordingly,
appeared it, my lord.
all the conditions.
The problem.
My lord, my
Huh?
lord.
CD.
In both the cases,
Huh?
my lord.
I have paid for the CD, my lord.
Uh-huh.
In both the cases, my lord. There is an order for
Before
both the
the,
cases.
before granting interim, my lord, I have paid for
You
the
have
CD.
objected.
Yes, that is.
Object? Your objection is a standard line in my order. Not only object, vehement objection. Then case diary of both the
Please type, my lord.
cases be produced on the next date fixed.
38th of October.
30th of October.
30.
May, please, Lord.
Where is the earlier order? Please
Lordship
tell
will
us.
find an earlier order at page 12, my lord.
Please.
12.
So it was an BA,
PM. He is already on the day of passing of this order,
44 days. Now what happened?
Now, on after granting bail by this honorable court, the certificate copy along with the petition was moved before the SDGM. Since direction was to the SDGM Dhokwakhana to release the petitioner on furniture of bail for rupees 5,000 million. On 5, the petition was filed along with the copy. Lordship will find at page 15 million. On
What is, please let us understand what is your date of the bail order?
Lordship
3/10/2024. Huh?
Lordship. So in this case, actually, CD was called for fixing on date of 3rd of October. my lord. That day, CD not
Where CD was called for?
CD was not produced.
Which case?
In this
IA?
case, no, my lord.
No, forget about other thing.
While granting bail.
Forget it. Let us understand. Hard, Mr. Only thing is that before passing of the order on 30/23/9, it was transferred to a different, but everything is same. Since bail has been granted, only number is same. Now it will be before whom?
Lordship, SDGM Junai, my lord.
SDGM.
No, case is my lord, now allotted to JM first class Junai, but
No bail. Now who will bail grant you bail? Release you on bail.
SDGM will be proper, my lord.
Huh?
SDGM will be
We do not know proper. You know, you will have to stay.
As per annexure C, my lord, this is the judicial mixture first class Junai, my lord.
We do not know.
Judicial measure first class Junai.
Yes, case to be transferred.
Not transferred.
Yes, case has been transferred. So the
PS case has been transferred to a new PS
new
station.
case.
Now that PS station under whose jurisdiction?
SDGM Junai, my lord.
Are you sure?
Lordship,
We-
because lordship will find it here.
Where do we find?
Page 17. This is the
Judicial Mission First Class
lordship.
Zonal.
There is a SDGM also, my lord.
Junai.
Lordship में direction to
No, we will not pass a direction who is not having authority.
lordship, since case is allotted to judicial magistrate first class, my lord.
Heard. Mr. Mohanto, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor. The present IA is filed in connection with present IA is filed for modification and oblique or clarification of an order dated 3/10/2024 passed in BA number 2937/2024. The petitioner approached this court filing the aforesaid BA 2937/2024 seeking bail in connection with Hilamara Police Station number 31 of 2024, in which the petitioner was arrested on 18/8/2024. Such order was passed in absence of the case diary. When the petitioner applied for however, prior to passing of this order dated 3/10/2024 on 23/09/2024, the investigation was transferred from Hilamara Police Station to Simen Sapori Police Station under Dhemaji district, and the police station case was re-registered as
39 of 2024.
Simen Sapori Police Station case number 39/2024.
GR case number 143
And corresponding to GR case number
143 oblique 2024.
of 143/2024. In the aforesaid backdrop, when the petitioner sought release on bail in terms of this court's order dated 3/10/2024, the learned magistrate refused to entertain such application on the ground that that magistrate is not having jurisdiction to entertain such a bail application, as the new police station case is not within the jurisdiction of such magistrate. Full stop. And therefore, present application is filed seeking and clarification that the judicial magistrate, SDGM first class, Judicial Magistrate first class, Jonai, shall be the appropriate magistrate to release the petitioner on bail in terms of this court's order dated 3/10/2024 in BA 2937/2024. First up, peruse the material available on record. Also heard Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor. Full stop. The aforesaid submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties are reflected in the order dated 5/10/2024 passed by the subdivisional judicial magistrate Dhokua Khana, who declined to release the petitioner on bail. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, it is made clear that in view of the transfer of the case to under Jonai Police Station and being registered as Jonai PS case number Siemens transferred to Siemens Sapori Police Station being registered as
Siemens Sapori Police Station case number 39 of
2024, and the
corresponding
and the judicial magistrate first class Jonai having the jurisdiction to consider the bail to release the petitioner on bail in terms of this court's order dated 3/10/2024, the IA stand allowed by clarifying to the aforesaid effect, and the petitioner shall approach the Jonai subjudicial magistrate first class Jonai for grant of
Judicial
bail
magistrate
and
first
order Siemens for Broadway, and the order dated or the paragraph 10 of the order dated 3/10/2024 passed in BA number 2937/2024 read as inverted comma read as within inverted comma, it is hereby directed that the petitioner, comma, Andrew Patir shall be released on bail of rupees 25,000 with a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of learned judicial magistrate first class Junai in connection with Sapori Police Station case number 39/2024 corresponding to GR case number 143/2024. That will make clear. I stands disposal.